Middle. Ohene ana ohema ene de wodo afidi ato Adom TV. Medase pa se wodo afidi ato abehwe enkrahyense mo ame ni takotego me de ho chiame. Ye koso a egina ba bia ye ka se ede na betimi aya ya brabo aye good life. Mi sua de se ehun se be a good student. Se mi kunu timi ka jam se a good wife. Se mi so me yeri timi ka jam se a good husband. Se obi ka se wo de a good CEO. Adwuma wura wo de oyɛ good ana wo a wo adwuma oyɛ good ade ba kwa betimi ayo na wa brabo ayɛ good ayɛ fache honhom yoni bebre a obi a on bibia e don akoma so a edi wani. Forgiveness is the doorway to heal the past. There is seed no jemu ne wo de cheni pa na fache wo aho ne oya na ye ya enye no wo de cha no nche se wo mre wode che na wo che ni pakron se de no wo mpe na ma onsa anya biom na fache na yife wadwum kra bebre ene wode bone a che nkrofo nso wanka se wanfa bone nche wo ho ebia na enabi ana ajabi ana ma me kra bi ye bibi he eya na wada nyame asepo se oya osa de kro no ade ode ye no a kire wo nyansa bi okwa me so ehyewa pomodni emma akuduro. So thank God you went through those things and forgive them. Ebiana enkoye, forgive yourself. Ebia wo yam from so bi ana afati mopo bi a ama won sa si from men condemn ho fache ho na ekọ wanimu na behini apono ema wado abrabo na ede ayaresa abreo. Forgiveness does not mean you forget. Forgiveness means you look at the past with a new eye. Ye kasa facha and chesa odi na esi ye no we be fi da bi. Ni chesa odi aniwa foforo be hwe na esi ye no se oya ma de we nya hwe magye mu manaka. Mi ntua ne ka. Na no ma men kan se mi kire o. Me de mafidi a me ka e ma brantie bi. Na brantie no kotwi ka no so de be adwuma. Asma me ka yo ode adwuma bosome baako kapre kwa mfama na da de ka de besi yo no okoye metu ka na je ka na engine asai nti me friend say abante unim say engine asai o say da otoato bebre na me say look me modua me de achew me ka bibia nkyerɛw emo mfako me na fofo say sebe menya me ho ana sa suba na me da na de nye ese me ma kware eche na me nche no ono ankasa ne suban ene wada na die na beche no me de me suba me da na die ye bone fache e beba mfaso ma me ampani ampa me da che no so no fo se obi me kwase a etuju na ara me a me da che no no mfaso no beba me so enti wo de bone che obi a wonya bone fache so mfaso ene wo ya na da che no no bete na ba enkotua ne pananka se me de ebi akatua ma me kra enso no wugya na ma urade a radna ne bedi obi aka asemi akire wa nya wode ena obi ayi bibi a wo mpe he fache wate jemu manenka na fache wo de cha wada suban bi adia ebe sawo abrabo mu yade na mpo nipa no obedi amia ka chi na meke onam nyina osuro oteme nka pa ode mirika ba akote se me frɛ ne phone kontimi mfa ono ankasa ka kire me se na nse me nyoma nkoyie na me se nya abotre be koyie obi a watwa me se yie na metu nofo ya papa nanso sa na brabote wo ya no ya obone no wo de che no a ase de wasoja agu na pempem wo de che no a ase watu amna so wontom ono kasa de ehu ena be se na brabo me de me da chew aye enhira amame enti obi ya obibi a nya se opese brabo dimu na eyeyi a ya fache na mombo abrabo ho ban na obi anya wanya obi se kra che oya me se yi se me fa me ka ma obi aso nkotwi biom me da esu ehunu se me fa me ka ma obi so nkotwi sa na tie enu nti no me ma na nya me ya enti se nya me ya ba ku sei aya na se ma ya na doye e no no ay mbone me da che no okunu fa oyere bone bi oya ya che no wate wo yere asemi okuru ka kire wanya no ene dai ka kire se odo me da che o nemom enkoso nye biom fadwo sakra na ornamentina woba eja ana ena eye wade bi enye fache na eja ne na obabi ye obibi ana obi a adwuma bi si wo na so me kasa facha enye se obi adi wawuo na watwa wo nan ana aba okro no ene se mra wo ha ne wondi na me ka ne man ketenkete ya de sha adwene po so a edi enya ena me ka boni bo ho obi ye wo ene se de ma post boni bo ho obi wo ha bi o ye wo ese report no man panifo ba won nyoma bi wo ha obi de ye wo fache wo de cha nipa no ankasa oso na duro de nam ono abete dankwama na wo wanya ahoto enti suban ya efre no fache ama ehunu se wo lead good life ene ebiom ese usua na ase ese usua na ase ye kan na ase a gratitude e kire se woni so se wote ase woni so se onyame ama wo ma wani so se wanya adwuma mpo a wokoba mpo akatwa ne nso wo a wani so se wanya bibie se abribia wani so ne awo se wani so na woni nase eme hwedi ampon omusa abrabo nko yie de omusa ne o ma nye yie de ba wani nso bebia waduro na fa nase ma abrabo se me da se ode wani pempenso wo na manum ono mama kade no fa nkomanim se wa hunu nase anase a unya empo enema abedi bebubra abrabo yi te baba ye boyi mama yensua nase obi yo papa da nase fi akomapam sempo wanya bibi ama wase a ye monokro no ma yo papa no anam ase a manya me bone emom ye pe nase anyom nato anapa bia na empo se wote nkwamu yi da nyame ase ena woto a wo ma enkanchi ni guye da nyame ase sempo asem a enye atofi a kosoa na de nyame ase na mpo pe asem ato wo no anu aduro na hye ho dene na sore free mu ebe na obi a wodo no pa aka nchinagu okọ mensu bebre ya na fa ya na asenyom na onyame ena onim nya woyo asem ato wo no embobo hu bebre emu ena abetima do sukọ asua ne aye na obo obra na danyame ase edne se asemato o se me danyame ase se atomie ninia sa na tie enase ye aduhwa edi manipa enase ne bonifache eye duro edi ma woni a obubura pa enase ena yemfanche eye aduhwa edi ma woni a obubura pa na wo de wa ye maye obi meka wakam bi enye subampa no aha ena meja wo ene da ifro bi na da nase wate kai se obi eye adoye na da nase na kai obi ono so ye ode enye na friend na kan se ro me da cheo ye nko so amoko sata friend mo efi na ekono enye biom wate wo da che no wa kai no sade ode ye wo no eye ya tima wo nye biom wanfa nya wo amfa nya obi foforo na waye tichani amani pakro enya desua onyame ene wontena mame na Adom TV adwumayefo a so masene a me dwumadi ebre wo ase na me na badwam team no so ase na wo a wo hwe me so me fa na ase ma kura ma me fa na ase ma Priscilla ya ona hwe adwumadi ma na ba wo fie mu woni wonyame entena
the phone watching ewo sanabo suminim eye ne dadwade na sunyame de achayen ye de ru ani tekotego ase wa bie bedwam dwumadi na no de ama enti ayafa asemche ne fa bone nso che fi se wonso obi amfa nche wo a kenye ne se woda so ne nam hoi yeda na se wa sha ase wo sefutu sem no so amaye no nsia no eno so abo enti bedwam kase no aye krado making kan de ama on de di wakoten bia obete ene se gas bi apai ama enipa ba senso de o maprapra no den ewo kwasa empotem home afen so China ni na wone ne hyen nyina wo makwakoto nsuo bim ewo kwawu empotem ho de enti ekoba ne sa no emu nchiremu ewo kase mu ebi kan we ho na no pay making kan asmo sebedwam kase medin de ma metra diamond memoache afi me hyase enipa baye nson a ba kwa woka ho de woye nsanchiro ni ena o maprapra emu odin pa na de koba ye ene se enkwanta north district anase mensinim efie ba ko bi na ojaframa anasa gas bi a paye ntienam so masafo wo mo prapra ano de ame no kase wode won akakogu enkwanta north ayasabia eno ewo oti mantam.
Me do feel no so gas and dinner go on night the feel gas and me do used to it no in the first time we be so we deregulate and I'm so much now my try and back then after there's a regulate and a problem did me change me one another regulator that we too much and any regulator in that too.
Oh, now that's missing a leaking book and
leaky, you know, and then okay.
I'm down from the back to friend. Say, Martin.
Okay.
I'm back on my friend.
Okay.
Not getting the senior by
they get in my okay.
Yefi to semi so na yenko ensemfu from na krachi where China ni wone Akroma Gold Mining Company Limited no ewo kwawu esase na eye adwuma na obinim de ekoba ye na ehyen na wotimu a na hyenso de ana sen registration number eye GT 2680-13 ekotonsium ebra na ote ehyen nim.
Kwan for Friday to connect villages ewo your concession in Odumesia Sobritre to be seen. Unfortunately, Nipa was supervisor Quino, the car Abeshe in Sua Edaha Emu, Ama or in Sonase rescue team or so our Moshe. No more a ye or Nika Nina appear. On the end Juma, on the end Juma, or the foreigner or Ghanaian, the Betimia Canono. As at now, rescue team no Juma. We've been here for the past 3 hours. I try say you bet me you know or Nikani in a free zone. Oh well, we are allowed to be optimistic, but me sure so we bet me actually so I say for about 3 hours Yabeka says still or Benyan but yeah, train almost ye on the car in a apie, and to say almost Pia and I be who.
The brother Russell Moa and Adom Cassia to train come away. No, I'm for more than to me a shine no difference in us and also Nipano dear, not dear more to me who no more, or more I as a walk, and the chair or more ever sound Babette was so Irish.
Afe yenko atoye mantamo sekuafo bi omo elubo no wo jomromansi no mu ena omo kyerese na no ensu etoye ma ensu yire ese wumfudie no sese ahokyera ba enti wosrempanifo se wonno mo akade a wode beye mfuo no bio na afe nso oma won besia kora yesika kakra na emfuo no ba bia oyekodu ye ne de ase no na wode ato aso.
How be blame a book I told Drew so na say ni da so dia ben krompa de na banke ma due banke krompa asai ni na say boss asai me sra ban say on bom ni da so asam
si akra ye ka say e ba say ye banti ni na akra asai ye han so anka banke anybody ya na nkaja ya dinya ahoden ntroba ne makumpo de say ye sa bidua ni bi mu e bia na afifiri amaye na saa we ni so this next year asai kura nti ama ekom kese pa na heden abetu ya
ebe dimpo no avire nkolai yenya skampo to aduane mo ni koko ni na apro ye koko ni na danso na no nti ama ni na apro skumpo me ba no koi
Meshebedwani a ogina ho ema dwomoro abatompesia so Dokas Afotofi ni Adom Kase atwetwe nkoma a ohye won boso obetu anamon ahodo de aboa won eno achi eno de enkrante apem baako de makuafo ese wonsom enye ansa obra okwa akwoboaboa no ho no wasa ba biu
nti na wa mehia wo no wa udi ho adanse niam kakrakra betumi ade aboa wo no maye amesan na fi bede mene agric extension officer no so edi nkomo nti ono na oni omu day to day activities nti wa kire me niam betumi aye ede aboa ebi mo ho amebebo omu with capital me mo musika omu asan ede ahye omu afuo no mu a ebeboa wo mu
Sumankwahe a wo gomwa achempem ene okufu amresi anana otoso miensa na nanan na de enkrawe ema ne nuanom a wo so ya ahemfo wo mpotem ho se ebre we ya ne bre na esesa ahemfo no nyina akabom na wo pre hwese wo mabu na wo mpotem ho no wo mo akasa ahemfo no befa ato wo ho se obema wo nyuma aye
awo so oda ehia gomwa no kroye a mofraban wo benye dwuma ye ma omanpanyin biara obaren opere oman Ghana oyeye nti yesrese fataman na nkroman anankofo a wo mmemmia obiara obacha asem biara wo sefete asameno wo se gbo na bekrom na bohu ahemfo na bisara asam na ye nkwa ansa na dia wo se wa baka wo wo de akọ yehia se asumje baba fata ha matwom ni nyina no mpemfo na obeda ko wokọ yaso ye bokọ nti mofra ba na awoban ehia se mofra na obeye nchirima papa mo wa ya kroye kro amanso wo mun kro no ontumpo nti ehia to kroye ama gomu afete
na na aboata wono eno ye gomu afete hene enso ede ne de e kan semi bi se sesi ada kokobọ no ode ma nananom a wayi omofoforo kra ene ahema mo se akonya wo ba betna so no e ma wo mfa wondibre ehunahunu manfo na emom hwe se bibia mu no timamufo ye die ene obehwehwe kane
usande yetumi ye ni dama fete be fe mituma be fra na fete why abeka abofye nti manya wadwi na ebia ya wa modi bi edibetre fie na da ya tutu asem one de yeti dama ye no bedi nyonyonyo nti owa ya hwe hin owa ya modi bi one hu de bedi anade adisuadi dawo ode tumi so na sumiye so a sabi ma ya nanamwa be ya ko yeso ye twado na sabi yuwa nchi bafuso wabo yedi god yedi abopai
so for worship omuden ho nsem so wo memu eye kwaku agimamenu ena wode kokobo ema anesefo se wo mo amwa ya sabia na wadwuma ne se obi ye yafo na wo ba ha wani kwa wo ho no obehu ana okura ni phone na obi yare na wo frɛ no wo mmia no obemiamia ni phone sa suban no enya anesefo ntete no enti wo munyai
nipa nkwa yɛmfa ni agro ne ya reho sanse bi wo abekɔ hospital obi a yadwuma na ne saba computer phone na o WhatsApp nti adwen bɛn na ade yɛ adwuma a mfuso emaso adwuma a mokɔyɛ no ɛyɛ adwuma a nhyeso ɛwɔ so yɛka sɛ regulatory regime wo lab wo health information wo health insurance there's regulatory regime that governs your practice.
Principal Edema Esuapon Williams Kwesi Sabi enso nsemo de tutwa eni.
Minister of Health, you need a proper category of health insurance staff on the Ministry of Staffing norms and also. So far, no, I think it's not a because na obia so ni ha all your course obia in health insurance the whole country. Oshe school ya St. William's Nursing and Allied Health Sciences College. Yen kwana ye health insurance as a course, what insurance management. And say omun kreti chance to be money pa or also be health insurance. Now on to enter Ministry of Health and Ghana Health Service as a health insurance person.
Awofo a wo mama school ewo eye Achim Dampon DA Basic School no wa Asante Achim South Mensinum ena opani awoda awofo no nyina no se PTA chairman ene owura Asante osei ena de to awofo no nyina nim se obi beye wade yi ama wo ente se wankasa eti wo mo awofo no afa nto wo ho so se de wo mo so beye de abo achechefo no school no ene wo man wankasa no wo beye won fam de se ne beye a ochina bi wo man ko school a wodi yi no ebeye yi ama wo wankasa awofo no
Sutrobi no ni han enti ya hwe se de nkwara education ekofom ene se de be 4 years ni kura no enso hwe kura no nkwara no entimenye enso hwe no na haye na fa kwanye so masra abanse se ne ma bi wo ho a no kure ni se nipa ba ko entimenye abepu ha enti se nyina ya amoa ɔman no ana yɛ kasi yɛgya ne nyinaa to aban so a nti yɛsra aban sɛ ɔma biribi ɛnha no yɛtumi ehu sɛ teacherfoɔ no mpire pii no ɔmo ayɛ na ɔmo wɔ akura ase no ɛno kura ɔmo ni benefit bi a ɛwɔ akura sɛ ɔbɛnya bɛɛ sɛ mfie mmiɛnsa pɛpɛɛpɛ na ne taamo aso a paa wɔsɛ mekɔkuru.
Assistant Headmaster OJHS baako ɛwɔ hɔnom Isaac Owusu Frimpong enso ɛde n'ano to mu bi ɔde to aban no mu se adesrɛdie mu no wɔwɔ sɛ wɔhia nkonya ɛne nneɛma ɛbɛma sukuu kɔ ayɛ anika ɛwɔ hɔ.
Diana PT for no a to bankra na ɛde sisi dan ɛno firi hɔ a nkonya akwara ntra so bi ni hɔ ɛno so ɛne de PT for ya to onim a na maboy na ayɛ jadi juice ya to bi ɛda ma mbosa no yɛwɔ ICT room bi a naka yɛpɛ sɛ naka yɛde computers room.
Etifindo Mantama Hinkro Tamale na Tamale no MC wo ho na mayor a wo ho na wo kyerɛ sɛ no so ba Tamale adwuma ekoso pa meburu no de wo ho ahyem titiro ma no adwamamɔ tutu bra na wo mobɔ ne ho na no so emboa enti wo srɛ sɛ obi amfa ne ho nyim titiro ne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ sɛ ne bɛyɛ a empendodo a wo kyerɛ nsɛm no wo bɔ da ro fa saa suban ne ho no na ɛso ɛte.
Menu asa me catch you where bebre omutumi you see mprentwa no more yam edia good drinks bi mu no more nom just to destroy the fetus na nyina akoso so you will see that at the end nipokro warrior onye ba na obi akọ fa ne say oh ne nana bi ana ne mame kitwa bi ena these are the issues so the effect here edoso.
National Youth Authority no won kwantwerɛfoɔ ene Mumuni Sulemana asɛm yi wɔde n'ano ɛto mu bi.
For instance, you are just in your house, then someone comes to tell you he's looking for a room. You are not interested in finding out the background of that person. What is the person coming to do? The person stays in the room. Whilst everybody is at work, he's inside the room or he's inside the room. Then men or women enter and go. You are seeing and you are not talking. What will the chief in that area do? Because he's not aware. But I'm saying that all of us should be interested in fighting this canker. It is not the assembly's work, it's not only government work, it is not only the media's work, it is not our TK's work, it is a collective and a collaborative effort that all of us can put to the wheel. That will help us, if not even eradicate it completely.
Mayor ya futu semisu na mijana di Badwam kase no esi na midisi hanum sei na te se de ekoso ewo online no aye krado ena de bonkrata no eno so aye krado enti omai hene kobna santem pacho mache
Majos mijiri se bibia e kama
erade dum eye
osi August boso mene de to so se nwotwe ni
wotwe eye nne
okay
ada wo date
no bibia nam ne kwa so
ye de nyame ase
say de adu de ade pa bi chi wo say dia na wonya se ampadu anei opeso ne me competition wo be kofi ampadu wo hwe de nipa ban tra na etre on the show solutions on apply tra na otre kakra covid an me ka kire na me datia che cameraman o hai na me jam ho no ba ne yetwe majority so debi me da so tim bom watch sare bia kom debi intade na me share no na me share covid ba nye careful okwa de oba twebutu osa de tia kakra sa no ndi wo ba kofi ampadu abusuafo ne yere titiru ne mba montumu papafo ko ne yemubu wa yemano de yafu na adane Commercial Sports Stadium boom one no makodoje no masaba kofi tie de meken na tie na so peme na juada August ne de to so nwotwe ehia pa so onim so abusa Presla Vodafone anaman onima na funo jinsem akyerɛkyerɛ se ya nam de mana ono na ekabom di also nkasa because me say di bia wo ye
me ba be twitwa jo de kyerɛ sɛ me hu o sister pani me ankasa me ne nadi nkomo afisem so me hu sɛ wo ye ba brane ɛna me hu papa mfoni suda kyerɛ sɛ pani asantete we wonye ni patiatia eti no de wo futi obi de ma obi a onye brane te sɛ wafa no ne momu no unye ja wo ho ɛyɛ saa na nyame ayɛ wo ɛyɛ hwɛ wo mama ayɛ pokua ne hwan Back when they say.
Oh, at the punish.
At the punish. When you pack it. Aha, it's no the over foot will be the more be said. Did ye? That's all who say ya. Name moment for home a treat. And yes, I'll be an
Dr. Joseph or being a good for 24 Kasakas, Yepa, Omukasa, you say. So Abana Montune and she be and fast. Amasika 72 exchange rate in dollar no. And I see to dollar no home 70 million in Kenya. Ebe we enough in Ghana Sikano. What time 1 million Ghana cedi. Now they call America Sikano because baby Yaki can come do 9 Ghana cedi no. To $1.
And you do 9 on.
You do 9. Ah,
yo.
The doc I pay. Mamen chia na me na se waje bre se oni edu nkomo a ebe mampuntu aba Ghana na dwadifo so ho hare ho. Bibia e bokọ de. Hello doc, what temenka? Hello? I'm say ebesa bomodi ase behwe na de Dr. Joseph Obeyetimi edidi enkomo. But and somehow do to do the workout and that I'm sure so why crowd after prayers after Thanksgiving to trading upon Yankopon why crowd to face the day. Daily graphic and policy making country self-sufficient will build robust economy. Ghana man paying that sonam and no church radwin no church radwin eka ekon person odi o man no esika 70 and 2 bebre etimi etutu yi no construction crime o ka che Ghana de she na say tie bia no Ghana ebegina brand enche bia on ntutu egu akwemu. Electric poles vandalized in Croboland. Yeah. Aba. Na dia sem krani. Dr. Joseph Obey Mathieu. Okay, so Doc Agman is still a higher but Lady D, we are aware of this, Anna. And a pose na.
So don't cast here there.
Nadia no must access him.
So almost say Yakoso Mua and Kania no whether or Masasi Sunti. And so much young Kaniaka. That's the gender.
Nadia cran by a few years of mine.
It's from Sadia and I and Chia, a card how I fear Bemau, prepaid, near you postpaid, a free horse and a bear, Wabacacoto, and a dear soon by Ebinoa. Yeah,
you know, they said, Nana no medical to Anamo. Anna, a year, or no, Rashibuja for an immense California. At Tuano, and Baba, I'm saying, we pay your answer. I mean, name the last meet, we should pay billion Bacacutusa. That's a chrono, Bazomina can be man as Obazomitria. I don't get it. I don't get it. Office of Special Prosecutor recovers 174 million from La Bianca Company. And what's some daily graphic is about emotional, spectacular scenes at Intim Thanksgiving service. MPP chairman in Team Sukoda Nyamiase. Na Ochen Joseph Awasama in
Deputy Education Minister.
There be a Stephen in Team, MPP chairman. And then Reverend in Team for Joe. Stephen in Team.
Okay.
And he Okoda Nyamiase.
Okay.
Na Oma Onyami Hunsampa under Nabedusa and Pensuing. The Chronicle, the workout, Wengam, Heads Assemblies of God, Ghana. Pastor Wengam, he doesn't need an introduction. Why you, Nyamia Jumana, or Assemblies as Afuduma Ache, and then Wabe Titania, or that assembly. Yes. Them the kind can say quite a fiasco. Them the kind can say quite a fiasco. New regions have brought government closer to the people. I am a beneficiary of region. And Oman paying Yadasi. Yadasi P. Also, what you may say. For and Munyamsa. Confusion over NTHC lands East Legon Hills. Some clients say they do not have access to the lands, but estate companies deny claims. The Chronicle, the workout also Ediaba. Wasama attention, Koya saboteurs cut down ECG poles in Krobo Enclave. Madaruma. So we need it. MY, D koso ana de ho man.
Well, me koso na adomonline.com and paying some ahodo e my chain emu kese pa a serial thief who robbed 6 women after blind date arrested. Oma hiti ni say ben Brian Brofu. Serial thief who robbed 6 women after blind date arrested.
Hey.
Na blind date na none dey here.
Send the or you send the Charlie. You wish you join train. There's a no. Ya no just one with them.
What ya baba wa no?
You wish Hey.
When baba house no we o.
It praise like careful. Guy na catch him about Facebook say. Or do number man, you careful. And you be on the number or trick you so by your advert. Or trick you so by your advert. You careful.
Say no.
You careful.
The mestre ne say Presla Vodafone no say Presla na ma. O boyfriend e so nya komasa no pa bi o ma he de asembese wo. Etu o hwe ye no anyina so na wa nkwankoja wo. Aha nti yes to be. Abotre. Yes sir, asemba that. Okay, it's gas explosion leaves 7 injured at Pasa Adom Kasie mu yabo amania fiti. Ebra si ye ne anopen so makenkan de amount say enam so nipa nso omo epra omo ayasabia na Commonwealth and Mensa Sabah clash police storm UG campus. Well, nti eno so apostle for the won hujim ema ye kasa de eho adadin kakra. Aborted twins discovered along Abraham Dunkwa roadside. We also no get no want and want no get. Nti no sasemi Adom Kasie mo so yabo amania dadomonline.com nti ntafo no obi koto wongu yesenyi sentugo no so hwasem no. Now every year Ankara sends important message to EC over forms of identification. San komochiche ekọ so ewo asempa FM ebra na obi ete ejum nti dadomonline.com mamai pacho kakrai na mabobo so.
The Daily Guide so to us the mystery of our Mills' death lingers. Oh, musukra dia semnia. Professor Mills said, every day, you know, it's worrying. U.S. envoy Pampers Nana and MPA to host International Petroleum Conference. TMA upskills NSS personnel. The big one, NDC threatens to fight EC over Ghana card. Where's yesterday? Mama, where's your Majada Jinina as on my Ghana card, Ghana card, Bev said, Ghana card, near back. Oh, my way, party. They find that the Democrats say Dr. Baumia commissions Osman Nuhu Sharabutu Central Mosque School Complex. IGP urges churches to invest in security technology. And Upper East gets 37.6 million euro water project. The new crusading guide. Lands Minister commissions modernized Cardinal Madini resettlement project. And U.S. appreciates Akufo-Addo's leadership. Akufo-Addo's commission Northeast YEA multi-purpose office. I'm revisit President Akufo-Addo na problem no wa shase na tifi mantem ana wa shase nti o head nkomodo do na abeba na ebe free tifi mantem ana aba adwuma na aban na aye na okoso eye ohonom na ehon srahwe na Africa na fo so emiamia hodo ahye nsrahwe na se no eho anono so ekobo no esisi edi nkomo. Minerals Commission report exonerates Elembele DC over magistrate residence relocation. Sase we eba na eko era bonzo mamencha anopa we say only judge penny or so. The good thing is that in Krata all the papers CD Benina, HS one namun 2 out 2 na so, but it doesn't stop you from reconciling with the judge, you know. Namon Shema attending any Montemuno so I be any kama. But as we speak, and Krata Hodua a year ne charge a Hodua during be any pebble tools, so that cannot be true. You've been exonerated over this matter, and you're the for that. Munya Jumapa, Ebeboa, Ama, baby, I do because or minor, a timia boy. The Herald, the Democrat said VRA workers blow cover on energy minister's 71.6 million Ameri deal, insists Ghana is being shortchanged. And what's the Herald, the Democrat, and retiring Justice Honiga cries in courtroom, I don't want people to write stupid things about me. And what's him? I said, oh yeah, we don't kind of court.
Pempe wasini.
Enti dia na obi.
Kofi Adoma say amafo nya asonti o ma wo atoye mantam no. Say wo to nkra kwa atoye mantam a na onse no mo ne nkontanom. Ene wo yire no na ade obo kasa. Ti omo nua ba ne nti adebre o omo nti o. Na ho hia pa. Na fa ye come and joyonline.com. Na wo tue wie ye me gidi say ya hwefo anim sam. Kofi Adoma ngwanwani a ne pa bi kosia no kwan mu kan no mpiro se omo we ya kwan mu ka na mum nyame ne yeda na se
ko mu hwa nanim ankasa na so de nsagigigi o wow
enkwa ne woni mu no nyame ne yeda na se nti bone nso nsuma nti safo no nso omo aye na mum ete se omo adua ebepie dako nti eno ho asem nti bra Kofi speedy recovery and ECG to undertake plan maintenance Priscilla Mr. Boamina me to me maintenance in parts of Accra on Monday and dry day so important hono ejina so anase enyina so abi you know what I mean
maybe the enyina so
no
okay ECG for asem kan back I say now the ECG for the akwanya beto so wa illegal connection no bo modin abra omunye ohwe na omunhwe na omunye sesi sa abre na twam ana omatie si monti se omoye na se fiera fo bebrebe no ye hide da entie
yo
efiera fo bebrebe ni ma illegal connection efiera fo bebrebe edu ye tenant cameraman tie na hide da tie o ye tenant na akọ na o meter ho nsem na anye woni so eche me na fo mi no ye di on call post station
yo
eti se mo anye careful ye so etifio na eni nimdie bi e to ye yigusu no ebe wi akire no na asa agin sempasa mesre ba bi atibia no wo access to meter ma ECG for me check because fear for no connection man for no door so fear no na fear ko fa problem abre wo tenant for ni bi ni so amozu mo amasi mu dan kana sichi mo dia fa ase boko mo se ya twa for air condition ye yi afrim no o mo ba te se kakai
yo
go mo pese ECG gina ho yie na gina brane dia obi a onim se oye movement bia illegal bia unim ntika na mo nyina o ayo so o tricky to abi dia no factory aton so na o de ye de unim ni nyina na ekotia ye no se wa amwa ma ho na nyina ene ba bi nso nyina menkasa na se yemfa mbongum saa na yenko
eno so mwa
yes eno so mwa efiera
for no efutu sam na say ebi o hokra na ya ma o prepaid card ni bi so na ebia wonnam kwa paso no odi amatena no enti ede ma wakohwehwe wo ho
connection man for na dos too much ese mo check order ho ne be bo punu pa na onim ade na ohwe na o ka hwe so e na mpe wo mo no ECG for no ka hwe o mu nti o ka wonum sem nyina
so wona wo yusu
so atase wona yusu so nti efiera for no ene ye etifio phobia si nimnyansa broso ni yen so mo di beware of wild dogs pese ECG for no dogs we dey ye be yi o mato ye be wi o mo so aka ya be check meter no ye careful ye koso
ama maka na no bronya bro
wow se na bronya di obi ama me fie e ba me no konkofo enti we no masesem de bi e besi unsi e kati outside e besi open nano open light akọ kiosk me na obesi im so na me kodom wana yankoso di vakoso a me kaze bi
okay so on the note of kiosk mo na beware of wild dogs no yeah they say about the koso afa beware of wild dogs ebo ho na emomo no onku di a onku yo pacho ye ba
so I should be say open. You be here one say, subscribe, share, like it, na comment. Na videos be brain be grow. Se be ya for so and show. Open se pa Adom TV, Adom FM. Ya word mama. Me that's it.
Akwaba kesi bi ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dia wo kensi ho sempan sa kena no pensu ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono kwanten kode nsema do sa kena no pensu e wo Ghana agudie ejao chene so ma me se nwuma kuni emiensa omna bom sika dweteme na no pensu de nkomon eba one expert. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. Bet the hintasima we chene say utwani before and I wouldn't before utwani kuma bi adini kuma sa no manum and enti abusu ade ajapade bi sasa se aja ska connection pass ya betin tabiri no akoton fani na akugo so faketo akoje kese ene oba fie a intense wa nyina ye shede ntu amuka ni obi abone dan so one expert altna a great but modern that son sabetin san kabi na mum bet with money that you can afford to lose and I feel so over draw 90% of winnings no when you move feeling when you found your bet ni mo pe bet na we nyina chi no on tehwe dia one expert and e betimi edi one dance e di amount Jeffers Health Minister edi Jeffers Minister tiansa ba ade te say candidates is why vita na so di po na achewa unya dre bi tiansa bo prapro akrawa na mre bo ho e ma otimi di nchineche for any chire herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops nem also pe Jeffers Minister dre e be tiansa bo pa enu anopa kwese da anopa so de behwe si only Jeffers can save edro ba kwa eboa emaniama etutu yede ma amanfo no Sedimo gel and roll-on, your ultimate pain relieving gel. More than that song, Sabitia Kebedre, say, Ridimu, Yaudi, now 10 quadia, or Saka Sedimo gel and roll-on, Betia Bow. A shaman may market na fit amounts on your now, Obetia from 020-898-6731. Now, on a Sedimo gel and roll-on. Yankin Kumo, Yanshemwa, Emaniama, 82 year, and from a Pomodon, and Wilmo, and a sponsor said, Tech Aboman and a person, then come on Etia Bro. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step. And just here, and Fancy World Cup warm up. World Cup warm up a segment I brown na edi awe to appetite prior to a World Cup 2022 Qatar Kings kesi between Santo Jano and they ya ko fie makoma ko best 9 twam Switzerland 4 and ne Costa Rica 4 2-2 na sa can say the 2018 FIFA World Cup ba so Russia group stage game boni akoma
that Switzerland are on their way to the last
World Cup warm up and Komor Kakane Dija Oma Hussein and Yama ACL that was 4 years ago. Yentin Tom EPL matches Nasha sent and pass or rest in Mexico so a call uninterrupted. Crystal Palace 4 and then Arsenal they are Kings 90 minutes of soccer fiesta. Crystal TNS winning some quick and PM or commode games are Kings Kessie and also Eguso El Cosono. Pierre say on Ebru in that trambo trida until who send my mama pen so money. Any one and net. But Ukomu Heston and MIC Coso and say, and come back with Pima and Yanika, Edema Ghana, 4x100 meters relay no, na a disqualified Ghana. Our finals, I can't say, and I can be so Alexander Stadium no. Nina technical violation at Ghana team after coaches Nifili say, on being form officials, Nese Ghana, Joseph Paul, and Wanyadi between Saint 270 Cabran on the Saminu, and a baby shame to hit him no, Oman allow Branton and prepare for his 200 meters final, and also 18 Piano so. Emma Ghana it disqualified sabre no some yes adwuma no na Ghana paying for ete baby a wo mo eche mo pay dem ntimi anya san hyehyɛ na amfa ma athlete na ma utimi sampa wo mo ai ekɔ adwumadi no ase hunu saa akwa na enkomo ba kwa san pm bi no sɛ wo ba multimedia hade a your mama bi a friend say fair lady Mrs. Avonyo and the latest name but the ankasa the Mavis Amano na Mavis Amano hwɛ na chiri kwan the executive producer the Emma the ultimate sports morning show na for san host to Jumedi ba kwa friend ladies time edu memeda awie mu ha enya asem keto akwa celebrities a ebotwi botara de omani twen san chese Jumedi na se na ototo mano a na se nika eno nam so Emma France for oma mazado for kwatian sabe pi mu kroma na obedu ya pena mpemfo kroma chese Mavis Amano Jumedi a odi no ya de too much into man citation and afi ode abasbody makoma ko besi mensa it Mavis Amano aja abasbody hat-trick e wo Jumedi twen san pi mu atim sampa we the 2022 Golden Age Creative Award and also 18 SPM. Me no ka say the lady wone eye club licensing committee no wo mo ekonakra na ahwe nim se kwan bia so be inspective venues awodo no ansana eye league na hyase or a member of the club licensing committee wono ana waje hat-trick e wa wosum.
Emodin awobo e wo media adwuma mu nti na wotwe wieye abasobɔ dwumedie kase atudwa eye Golden Age Creative Awards no ahodo miensa ena ne nsa kan ya Mavis Avonyo dodo na bone nsamrane fire lady nipa dodo na agusu omo na baso e de kan tu dwa no radio personality of the year ena e de ma no afei face of the youth media e koma no na de di twa to kora eno afri French ambassador yo no wo my Ghana mu maame ani Sophie honom eno a special award nti abasobo miensan ena fire lady ye de ma no a wahye multimedia nyina ni onyam wo pana sempa FM a ultimate sports show no ono na ya executive producer afei ladies time dwumadie kase e wa sempa FM ono ya da wotena adwamu wode bra manfo nikunu Mr. Avonyo ene okogina mu a woje ma no.
We are all looking beautiful tonight.
I would like to say I'm receiving on behalf of my wife, Fair Lady. I would like to say a big thank you to God Almighty. Secondly, I want to say a big thank you to Golden Age, and we also appreciate the French ambassador too. We are so much grateful for everyone who supported this good cause. We say to God be the glory. Amen.
The Western NMI City Adi Anes Okunupaye, and Timavi Samanotia and Nechin and Nikuno, Mr. Avonyan Kasako General Tim Sampa, or Body Jim, or say to God be the glory. Into Yamia Doma, and the one will be never Sabetri. But I fear for an inch the moon and so about body about when sweetness and Pima Goodima. There is a woman in chess and a day, almost edgy about body. The International Chess Federation, at the program between certain times, so my friend said Christiana Ashley, or not any vice president of the Ghana Air Chess Association. Na yeka ema etiansa boama Africa chess agudie no etiansa tumpo a uhye kra no de chess ni pumpum se be a onso betwin asabesua na okon amagana e odwumedie nim enti women in chess and ekoba se WOM wo eye organization organize tournament kakra bi seminar and afin so mo ye podcast betwin saboa emankofo ehu omdwumedie kese omudi no na one of the exciting activities is say omgidi pass Madam Christiana Ashley oye adwuma de National Sports Authority no vice president Edema Chess Association no Omo edi abasbody emu edene pa aneja Madam Christiana Ashley.
Sene beya shares agudie no bekọ nanim. Ne abohu dawuro na omanfo mo ntiase afa mo maneji hu no edi hu adanse pa no. Eko na yi nipa bi asi ho abo mabaso a Ghana man yede share ba ko mu. Edi ana edaso woman in shares awards a continental winners no. Ghana ne di share ne dia de Christiana Ashley. Nisaka ne de outstanding shares administrator nim.
Christiana Ashley, Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome. Congratulate Christiana. Thank you. Next we have Alejandra Beatrice.
Enti Madam Christiana Ashley, Vice President of the Ghana Chess Association, and na oje eya basbody no edema Ghana any Africa ina timisa basbody no eso enti no na tese seju bon konkon ewa akiri a timisa pa nyama koyie ewa san hyehyɛ timisa pim ni bi si na mada wase na machel p but mama Mary Boaten we eso wuti tuba eye glass junction ewa kaso a na okunu se waduane ene de nti nei Ebenezer awuku eye kwasi ose one eye obaba efense adwoa obenewa wo ema awoda pa ewo dwumadi a wadi okunu se waduane de dodo waduane ye dodo nti obekoso a edi waduane nti we birthday nchi akese pa ona Adom TV so se ye fenyawo midi edi Enoch kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch bakope anamgina mu and of course evidence-based sports presentation it message out channel suma say one expert have always told you that betting is better than sakawa afi give fast message do boy dwuma setete on sankabi na afi sedimo gel and roll on or more than that your ultimate pain relieving gel or more air de pa the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
Adom TV ye wazoye.
Good morning, akwaba sonkoza ba usa page mezedo I was for Mame Boatima, the Fantidol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Na ane pay unwutse da numpome ni bia de ye okay matase. Na Mrs. da insecurity be mo etuma ye hu. Za insecurity obama yeze bebre nanso no this week mo story si masa nyasam kakraba. Nsam record won ko fu won fiefie. Na maso manu why ready de bebe kebi na mazacho into no mamizin kan menyu free feel sunday as o feel ye na america da no na mamenyunzi adepam ho onkomo na adepam recordo gidi butu numu aye show numu aye zin na under hey no contestants no way too good na we chema o dinner way into no obi as dinner way was no model shana terebe nanto catwalk yes so bash models why as papa or the two to form one after the other. Hey, now I know I tare now so no we are no na Grace and we win designer of the week. Now atare upon me red gown be pa o nyasam kakraba. I will shatter na Grace upon me na embrace ya.
Mo papa enye scam mama nko school no che
Enyimba ya adwenda atari ya kama power pattern ya fe ehu na Grace ne kra no Grace oye hwana bia ni nyim ni ye menyini hie me bisa no questions eku na bia bi ntaw yen get to know Grace so ai yen kwhwe na yen bre ni sisia
mo papa enye scam mama nko school no nche sense anu juma no so nyanti no me ensanu juma no e na aboma ba bedru sei cause enye ejuma we a aka menim baby amena nti no omo nsua ejuma no because ejuma ne omoda achi ejuma no obi antimi be yin fro omotirim cause we ya be ejuma e betimi aka se fa paper to fa pen to ko Bejuma no uvi uyo obi ejuma kro na osake okra wo trim esa wo nsa no obetimi dia ko baby a obeko bia
abezma no epepa
banku because me pay for nti banku eto fancy for the
eto part for eto ni bia is it china mana
yeah
okay boko guy ati guy say inya kwenya na bepa mazama celebrity bia wona na bepa mazama no
oye na na mana ne maame na ono na mpede me
say na epa mazama no apart from there ono na obo o ma e bad management no reason truth be ohana
many like the way or African wear and inside the shemone you know and opama no so a ombre like the way obehye no no ebe mo bi hu kra na obefra on tentem say be pam na de man yeah odonim se menewa mini odofobia kawa eti mi de yembo kra na kumeta oma onkwa odo onkwa odo menewa unim samenewa
ampa ma mehu vibe no da nyuma na nice voice oh
ba minda isikakranti
oh nice voice it was perfect na I mean tinen kwanyu mutu na mazipom bi
oh anya bibia
anya na America da ejuma bi ye ejuma chini ejuma bi but our voice no so
ya woye busuanim me ma metonyo me sisters me brothers ni na metonyo yeah
okay tell me na we fa the pom line
at the pom so woye busuanim because me ma me vocational school and me sister penny pamade me sister medina chin so pamade ba me na no person come insua jolomi
okay
because yesusu ano na me papa wu tem me hu me papa inti no na me ma me ne yedoso inti me ma me ne yehwemo no obre inti ye na yanko school ti me ko school do JHS na emwe bi mfi baby amba
okay into the Grace at the Pam contestants na yehu ni sisi arabe o oyaze papa into no designer of the week ono designer atare no winni this week no the papa me introduce na mo nti as the days go by no ehu obi so win bibi apa baba wo body profile one after the other no mo profile one ma enjoy when you na the Pam why the papa Sundays at 4 p.m. no ebe make a date with us na I enjoy contestants no one designs no na mami feel what na monko violence mu kakra na bopocha asemojan who do asemojan like who do asemojan bopocha asemojan na a video bi na when it is coming it is doing into asamoa baba ka wasame
Ah, you want my attention? Eh? This is Ghana for you, man. If I descend on you. Anyway, Charlie, I have some good news coming, man. So let's go. Some people want to just distract us, but you know, and go for people some distract here, but I got some good news. Let's go. Hey. Me grandpa, me frustrated. I am can't go that same. Obia is normal. And why frustrated? Yeah, sometimes like I said, you know. So it's cool. It's normal.
Into no as a moja richima a doctors for no one here fie no one should be an adjum kakaka because I walk the bipolar no oh what kofu one trim or kofu one trim na metumbre no into no maminche be mamutumbre ni fie ai na aba some record yenya na nse do ya zaira baby ai video in the video no pedocho no do ya cats or baby cat dra no church kofu one destiny zo baby sees the way to call church and some na ori cheche mu na ori kire make side Castro na ye na wa ye na besinde yenyim zoton yenyim zo si no o kire ma asamojan nyimu bi asamojan onyimu bi na ono na brother someone one find lightly obe kire me there na lo boy o frustrated na bipolar na oba into no zo honyin ai ti sister I carry card a kire me there as a moja no nyim Castro ne mesen no hu bi no bopocho wo response na as a moja no ze beja hene no yen so ze woja en nkra ebe ebo akra ya boto ama no na ye zama no nti de be sa ha ai na makomanyim wa brabom na muru komanyim ye be ka there last week ni mo menyo ba twetwe nkomo bi fa na na Mac Brown ne comment bi na za o ka fa like body maintenance ho be bisa questions said there na nyipa body na lampo no oya kala wotu kaka maintenance wasan was a bana na eralet wa cheche mu de o lipo no why lipo no enwo o chere mu de ni yefunu no na or sag also lose weight we no na ni yefunu aiden wa sag into no obandam no na osade okuhu doctor no doctor man advice so as jide day na kai awo mama menjina na asam nke hu ma yinte na Mac Brown na lontu de numoto.
It is because obi pese obi hweme na obi sam say na wife o ye dem me kan no kracho me catch say me try say me did the year got it to the shape of me but me fumu ha no esage ayemre me wo fat into me call medical checkup. And then my doctor was like, there's an option for that, which I also know. I've seen a lot of people do. And I did it right here in Ghana in one of the major hospitals. I went through the normal process and I did it for myself. However, be a question, I meet where you are. Very much so. Very much so.
No problem. I've been with her for a while, so
we can
the doctor is good.
Oh, truthfully, listen, I won't sit here and lie. I won't go and do a liposuction and come and sit down and lie. I've dieted. No.
Yeah.
I did that. I dieted all right. And I just had to go.
Can be
because now for you now question.
And they pay Zamaka nine the nana body. Katasa. Nana body as ope. No Zion no home so no comment because Musha Muda Muma and Shana Makas mania some. Nanka sister, can we love you like that too? Nanka your door be Atasa. Tino insecurity, but my as Beyonce day. But whatever the case is, no. Why if our papa, na mama gra rock your body. Wala zepe, na za ye wo honam. Nti no mejesi ho. Na quickly no mama happy birthdays. Bebre onkoma dear one CB mom, head of productions. What? 40 looks so good on you. Ah, now 40 poppy. This nice. When did 40 become this nice? You this folly. Happy birthday. 40 no. Or come up and they pay yesterday and I come in now more. You know doing now war fat. A papa this and a couple there's a cake in a pill, such champagne no. Also all on her. Into no and the pay the baby do when you want kasa. Yami show bebre. Yen yina mammy, I will look up to her. Into no you don't bebre. Into no from Badwam TV I know what ask mammy for crabby. Mamma chabby boss be can show happy birthday. Aye. Happy birthday, son come on. Well, because you Pedro Richema. I see when I come on a hag. Now 40 looks good on you. Papa. Into no, Pedro Richem crana. Yaboko land, yenina, Timno, Yaboko Marriott Hotel. And I know a colada na yakwa enjoy a couple is in the cry abazi. Colada, and baby them cantalana, cream cantalana. Oh. You this other roommates know. I better enjoy cream cantalana and there. See, happy birthday, Eunice Foley. Na mami free honor na mama. Yalstone so happy birthday Yalstone or yeah singer oh. I been to be over guitar. No voice out to the oh. Tony come up or Tony man I was saying in a gumnaz or Yalstone. Happy birthday. Yamin to come no your kesi ai. Naz other when you do biara no. Yami in your more. Na man son. Mon wish happy birthday. So come Kofi Ampa Dankwa. Or yes a couple na uncle and they pay. What's papa Yami show bebre. Happy birthday. So come on come more. Yami insure. Now me feel honum quickly na me nyunzu nkomo bi na alle dem hu bibi on social media me ye me shem because me nyim there Ghana we have gotten to that extent pocho akapo ma ye show video no because who did this to Kofi Adom Onweni? This is barbaric. But pocho who did this? No, when I yes no. Are we safe? No, like are we safe? But pocho I will share kakra share is was I Kofi Adom Onweni in the share na embrace here. Ajichi bia na no munsemo nanka the munzami eze nanka wa Nigeria mposho Nigeria se mo mbufu wa woni mo ho nanka Ghana ze why Ghanaians mposho yente them all we are not like this yente them yasora na pano enumburu anajo no na yetete there Kofi Adom Onweni unknown assailant just you no ko kai da mazun kwai one chichiro one you who one yet but Kofi Kosati sorry hi how are you oye but mbra be ejuma okroma ha ebe yana na investigative reporting as not as to know her obi biara oya da mazun mpocho onko free because yen condone yen maybe day wo okroma ha yin wo issues kokko solve na se court kra na fa no ko into no investigation lokodo zunzun investigation lokodo zunzun nta wo kra ye da mazo no aban nsabosom na aban onyu bezi aban nyu bezi because GJA for no ye nanyu zechi oye mefri ho na wo pocho wonsom no na wo frɛ nyimpa wonsom wonyi nipa na wonyi nipa za anepe matna hade na ma afra for support ama dance god Lloyd what share the project bi odo won anyu odo opeda wo ye no project ne ye kama pa into no we here investors but dance god awu bre ai awu babaka project no na amansani nya fa wona asonte na nyimpa obabo no ombo
pese ye gold pa ye wo yetiso as burden no ye pese nya ye own school nti eno no ye bobo scanner no na nyame boa na ye nya asase bia yetimi esi ye school no because inkofo bi brain kola bi brain person musua ebi no mu fi echichichi ba ye nya accommodation momo nti eno so ye bon pa ye se nyame bebie kwan kesi bia ma na yetimi nya asase bi na bia ya ma edan bi so na bia omoba ometimi nya bebi de omotiato ebra omusiasa.
The goal is that we be a building and 1 year school kofu bobi kra ba na so pe boarding kra na obenye baby ada.
No, pepe. That's the utmost goal.
That's God Lloyd. Ori chemdo oyaza wo pe dance school. Oyazi be odo wona nyu odo na koma do papa de wonya dance school a ba wan ka say imagine because e ko social media kra na e hwe bosman mo fa me wo se wo zigigigi na enyu a oh man ka dance school in Ghana obey come up papa dance school in Ghana be fine obey fine it's no investors for the chow one brown board na one bob one I did na say I was a page no me be easily ya mame Badwam the front president for the Brothers and Sisters Association Francis Kwame Azu PRO nyame show won be bre the maran so na Sandra Sana couple and oyemu producer Preslana Manuel Beck Kofi Ampedru oh nyame show won be bre me da we biara ojembro onye me ye so nyame show papa Mr. Kweva I see you Masordo.
Then the Mametra Diamond, share your Adom TV, Netia your Adom 106.3 FM. So, ye new man in area, you want the topper at the to adomonline.com. Kindness and to say, Ube follow ye at Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and now YouTube. Nina at Adom TV. Me that's it. Yes, anope matsaso afisem so a me ye chef wa me ye onyina na ebo mikromu enti no kenkan ebi so kra na wahwehwe ni wa ne mewa ene na eyemo asewa spices na wa hwese wo ye aba na anopa wadware na wafa wo hono akogina kitchen na wo san wo afade a aduane a wo ba be ye no credit kan asiesi dada na hwan na enni wo bia bedi bi ena ma sewa spices nso wo mu dia maka chro dada se unse bi no mo ha spices ne bi ema aduane ni tuhia saa na tuhia kwa ebe tuhia keke na so we de apomuden mu nsem ewo se maka chro se aduane no se chicken anasa akoko na nka ho dia na che se ma sewa spices na no mebo amane no me de ma no ne kan ene me de chrawo no wa hye so na adu dwa so a oh say we ho asem nam kan e wo so say ba ko mienu miensa enan enum ensia enson wotwe enkro edu du ba ko du 12 ba ko no kura edu ba ko bi no so enum so kura ne bo e de beje no ba se wa akwa aba na pom to say nyame adom ho ye na nyame adom yeso ye ho ye da wote ho no mo na ase ma menye akokɔ emu asomuduro den about na den a menti asem ase
sane wo kan no se ma de aduane no ho hia yen
okay
ja na ya na me tadi dibi titru bra na me wo Holland no na me ba Ghana nso na ma try bi ahwe but me ko discover we no na me be hwehwe ne wo ha no ebi ede ba na mu se bi de bi achi ja
o peduane ho
me mpeni bebe ma me peduane no asan se me ma doso
o ma doso don't turn abonten akonhoma kakra na de aye bibi na wo yeso anya say the fact that o ma doso one no aduane keke aduane a
kawo mu a odi a
it wo de saa na wo say ene mi so meye bi
na
opa akokɔ na mpa
me pa akokɔ me pa akoko
na ayi we no a wo ye ma akoko nko ana
ne tie ne se me wo ne edidi so me wo beef ene eno mai
okay
na me ye akoko ekura wie na me hu se me ye mfomso na nka wo se nka me ye no all purpose because enya akoko no nko ana se me de ye me de ye indomie
oh okay
me de ye jollof me ye gravy me de guma eno kra de na che asasem
gravy no
enya asem ke ta me do de papa
enti ba ye mfa no se akoko nti akoko nko a
enti duru me ko hia so kwa me koto we meto beef meto wonya ma se wa
okay
ujade
adwuma nasi
ujade o kitchen nasem nyina wadi wasem nyina ma all in one ode ye wie na obi pa o magi bi no de onko so hwe ye bebo na kohoma na pay
sa wo ho
no mfa bi nko no aduane famre mo wie
okay me
mo ni adanse
me training kan na watwe wie ye because na watwe Friday no me catch you say e ma room fi say o de ma say wa spices be ye aduane bi ade akokọ ye se eche say akokọ no kra no se wati ohun ya nka onye no all in one e na se kra edwam kọ no ohun so wa de empathy edwam kọ no edugo akoto we no nti nka auto we yi a na nka edwuma na na mpacho wo ye de ye nkwan zo
ye de ye akokọ nkwan bibia wo ye de ho nkwan wo ye de bibia
je se de wo kretu
wo de guma je se bibia ene no kwa de na che se ne na kai de
but I no kwa se nya akokọ nkwan because o hwe nchen ha wo hu je ne kakra wo hu ntosi kakra garlic kakra ena ayi ba ko bi no hwe nchen ho ne
aroma bibia ye de ma ne ma ye hwem bia
sa ma na ya ye se ye kodwa so a ye ntoni ti se haban ne vegetables na which is ni nyina
bi wom
na akokọ kakra wo nto de aya na mo a ayi mo se mo doctor se mo wi akokọ no se we o di a wo wi akokọ
o yes akokọ de so o yes skin ne free ho a na sa de no so ate se
na ti se duma na ya ti ase aba ne sei no ye boawo ama wo a oku apo akohoma hye wo no ene won so a oye aduane ton no emfa nko prayer camp o mkra se o mko ho ena sister ba ko bi no wo menche ho no ye to na ade che mi na ena obi gumi dwa na ena ode mi kwa aduro so ye ho aduro ansa na obi do akwa aduro so ma se wa spices no fe bi gu aduane nim ton na customers nim enye nyina na ye aduro de bi amka cho abaifo de o mo ho aduro for so mo ho but do lame ana mbwa do lame na de we bi ye aduane a hwan no do kwa aduro so na hwan na fa he ko si fa adwen pa nante na fa ne ma papa nso eye wade nti ye kaja de asem de a na eye masewa shemi ha masewa na ye ka ne sei no we no ye kodwom a na ye beto ne bako na wo sheda wo stores a ye tu me kire wholesale
me patwan ye wo ye wholesale bako okumase
okay
ena bako nso wo akra ha sei nti en telephone number no nipa ne fra dodo obeto bia na ye behwe se ye be ma na discounter ono so because bibia wo wurema ese bo no eye ebo a obia ansa betimi asoso batwan
eti wholesale na nkasa de eye to fom no eye nkran no kumase na so apart from ne dodo to mu no bebia obekọ Ghana bia e wodwa so
batwan
say ededin say we wo 12
ayana yen yetu ne box no e de ma wo nti kumase no mse kran na de bi 350 pesos nti 12 ye kra we nyina no omo yi 350 pesos which is for asempa ti obi kra nya adwuma na we so no te ba ko 50 pesos a obe wie no no so no fa so aye bebre eye no kwasam na me ka kire me pacho an
motufo nsem no
me pacho an
wo say
350 pesos
wo say ya mo se Ghana de eto de bia o tax no mo je ye no na hwe ne ma bia but wo hwe ne ma bia ankrankra bi so ya nka Ghana nye de sa je say ye nkomo na asase no chese okotena Holland no it is all the nimdie bi afi ba bi akotena ne de beboa yenyu but wo bekodwa so no we nyina wakoto no wo say
350 pesos
but obi kwa akoto ama ne nyonko 5 cedi whatever it is no den turn sa se ne be unu bi betumi anya bi ne mom de pese e kire no say dia no pay o tifie na wasum na no na ne nkola be di o na sikani ho na adwuma ni adwumani mpacho ma say wa chicken spices we cross all season eti adwumani entra ho na de bia na yakra ye kwa ba o ye ba so na ya ba beto yakwa ba o adwumani
adwuma
ya na udi agrones nsen ma say wa chicken spices o ento se nwumre bedu no Yehowa beba be hwewo ubenya aduane di ye da so abra adwuma ye wate nyame hwa pa ye da se se okotena Holland na o ba wa mecheche ye force ene ayi frampan a obi ayusu na ase na momude adwuma ene ne ebedi akoye mu edi abra mpacho ma ye number na ye be fro
me pacho ye kumase se obi pese ofre kumase na ye bre ni bia baby obi anso fra sorry ye be supply ni bi
okay
kumase ye number na ye 0558
203148 pacho to bobo ma ye
yeah
0558
203148 enu ye kumase
tese kumase for ye enu na ye be free 0558 203148 and then one cry
and then one cry across so yeah 0227
Pacho Boma
70
Pacho Susubio
0277 68 70
okay enti wa oben enkran ne potemo wonso awa santimantem ne potem se kumase na ben wa ya ma wadwuma ye boa wa mo aduane ne so ayede on se de bia ukwu fifie ye adwuma ba na okura na wato na ekura no ohun ode enkwan kro ene fro ye kro ene aduane na ene ayi odi ku no ti na oba na wataba no but at the same time mema no so aya mo yesa anyefe eja de gina ya musumun to bi nkoma ma ne wo fi ana me boa wo ba na ekura o wa wo de ma na de nkasa obehu se aya me fa so mo drone so dada de bia ba adwuma nasi ma se wa mpacho ye dase why so aboa ye de be ma eja de akoyie na be sama ya pomude na san so ma ye adwuma enti mpacho wo ade bia ayi na me se nka no pai o ma me 5 Ghana na me fa ma mo frere ko su jaeyo because de bi o ma ono onya ma o de bia ho befuno eno ani yes ma say wa spices yes ma we ba ko 1 cedi kura we nye no ano
what in 50 pesos so be we no onya times 2 ena obi so wo ba bia emfa ho say ye wo kumase ana ye wo eyi ne kwan no wase den ya openko ano beto nko ade a ye be man discount ne de guka mama no ye pese o mo so hwe
50 ma sama discount
auto box na dodo obeto in boxes no ye de be guka mama no na ya sama ne discount aka ho
yaka de ya chiro eti ye de ye komo nesia afei pebiton pebi ye waduane ne jai se wa boso boabo to de bia wankasa nso hia homework my number no de chato
your number kuma se de ne 0558 31 48
ego screen is so bright ma me boa 0277 687070 eno na ye enkradie no eno na ye enkradie 0277 687070 eno ye enkradie ena akumase de ne ye 0558 203148 na chese no so ye wo kumase ne potemu no tio enkase ma enya lorry fa nkokroma ankofa ose obesa nso e de abro eti yedase pacho masewa nyamisha yedase pa no sha wadwuma nso so
amen
abusia yede sa ye nkomo ya wie enti no oto ani asama we bi nso to da bia wo ho kra de kogina
oto free 15 boxes so kwa ye ma blender shemienu yam ade free ba ko yam bibia nsuo ba ko so yam dry things enti no
ani adwuma na si yedase pacho me no won komo foforo Mr. Ochemi meba anopa me no nkomo no de etosumienu ne se ye boawura yen ya sabia hodo no na afe ya hwe enema ba komienu bi ya no peye kase mu no wote se so afo hwe homasua honsem so kase anesefo no ya afo kra no abedu ho no na wo WhatsApp yo se wo TikTok yo se wo Instagram yo se wo Facebook abusua bibia wo ne mre eno na nchen ba ko so aya etai koso enye da ne koso na so etai koso no se mede me ya afo ne koduru ho no anesefo na geno de se omo ombehwe no nanso empa ye de ne beto so na bia ye de nsuo na esi ne so osi e ma no mojawu si afefe na ni ase o ye se empa ni ho enti aya na ye pempa ahomkoku etwato na nipa kon wajem no wawu anano de ya esi ye no eye waache ananka oyesene asembisa ne se owo din se waache enti na yate ana a no so ye ka enti obi ti ana bia won so anano sa asemi bito na wo de obi ni mu okura busua be na afiri mu o send dem mpo ne sen e na okọbọ a obi aka se oh ene jama ofie busua me yema ne mpa saa de we beto so akoso da be Samantha Mensa e wo France oye nurse ni ansa na okọ France ono akasa wo ye nurse ni no ne papa ebito no me ne Samantha edi nkomo. Hello Samantha, good morning. Hello Samantha. Hello Samantha. Emi says Samantha entiminka. Enti se mete Samantha nka na so no so timinka. Ye be din komo no efri se wono woye nurse ni nti. Woye nurse ni nti o. Woye nurse ni wo babia. Samantha, mamade mayete wonka na anu ya wa chede no yetie maame dokombra pacho.
The birthday party. And I'm for say, hey, Asamabo, Namisedi Asam, no, say watch and Rice, and a prayer watch in your stroke in the call rage. And I almost same penny and on within a call. And I was thinking, say, Miss Rano, me call hospital. It just say, yeah, na means also many. And see, and I go for routine checkups and yadi. And me call me checkups and I may buy na minimum say and run a mean to me go Srano hospital or I just and they may buy me jam me phone put to them. Me baba call be see or see a watch. How? So friendly, you didn't do 37. No. There was also no bed. I just say a stretcher be soon or more. Just say at the emergency honor or that no more taking a move electric training boja the idea. Before even they could come with drugs, be saving the kakrano. Yes, we will. Yeah, watch it. No cranny. We will miss him. No cranny or no, yeah, be because Sunday we all met at Chasampo for the 70th birthday. Our mother was Emra. Met there. He was in white. Just say, Bibia was it. At the end of the year, just say, Emra, my Jew, Engineer Quacosia, na erade. And feeling in fact, in movie or boy India.
Okay, so what the Sadam di Kakano? Be a quire your first way, you nimno or munti, when you'll be chrum, when you'll be cabiamano, my medo conoco srano, dear or say, and I and also, what the iron comodia yatibi. Na won't swa or be any mono. Na no kodu hono munwa yesi bed ni honti odofu bi no wabusuani bi no wo ma share Facebook na afasa wasem no to ho making kan e de ama na afa so kwan bemu a mesre o se kwan bemu a memo afre kwan a memo so am share Facebook fi se live na ye ni sankomai. Hello Samantha. Hello Samantha. Samantha sa wote me ka de ame momu de mente wonka na de Samantha asem no tie nyina ne se wono ye nurse ni wo Ghana ha ena ne papa ye rush no e de ne ko hospital na omokodu ho no empani hanti ni e de ne ko ha empani hanti ni e de ne ko ha afi kra de kodu kolebu a ye se kolebu ho no age se ye doctor ni bi na e be refer me nim se sa na tia. Hello Samantha. Ye Samantha minim de wudina nanso wasem no ke hia ye pa fi se wo de se de wo kyerɛ konkrom no ye kɔto so pɛ wo so de ne de ye pɛ entinka utumi boa ye ya but minim ne enti ha ma me to mente Samantha ka but nkomo no ne se ono na sam no kɔwie se esan so ye nurse ni nti na afei ofre obi no oh me papa o na wo nua nurse ni me ansana yenya empa no bidi ama ne papa no na se kire nya bi ma ne papa no ne papa jam I mean osure ne nkwa ana se afi ne hoto no eno na nka pese yetefi Samantha nkasa no na afi nso me de ahobrasie esre bisa se me pamocha wo empanifo e wo kolebu aya asabia no minim se de madwuma no ete mukom suku na mni hobi na so me de ahobrasie na ebisa se kolebu ya asabia kese na ewo oman Ghana mu ha no ansana yaafo bi beba ho no agye sɛ doctor ni bi na refer ne ba ho ana sɛ ya sabia obia ne ho mfa no ana ne nipa bi ho mfa no otumi ba ho begye apomden eno ye de yate na so mo na mo wa no yie no enti media ahobrase esrese yeguso ayedi yenkomo yayi no sɛ domfo bi ewo kolebu aya sabia tuturu mpandifo no bia munim ɛhɔ enhyehyeye no ebetumi afrɛ yɛn afamu a nanka yene ne disankomo na yeyi ho ano de afi hɔ bacho de ɔwɔ saa ɔpɛ no so de bɛboa yɛn komodie no 0302 211 701 0302 211 701 0302 211 701 sa number yi sa nipa ne fra yɛn komo yɛ aso no yɛbɛtumi atenenka fi sɛ de enim ne sa yɛ asabia de obi asabi ne ho fa no nɔkɔ hɔ te sɛ de lorry station de o pɛhyɛn yɛ tukwan nɔkɔ hɔ no udu hɔ nso ɛhyɛn bi abɛtumi afɔ nanso ɛno yɛ de yɛateɛ ɛyɛ atesɛm nti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛtefi kolebu ayɛ asabia ne mu mpanifo bi hɔ sɛ ane kolebu ha ne de kane no nanka o ho dodo ase me kolebu nanso ɛnɛ de agye sɛ doctor ni bi ɛna bɛ refer wo hɔ ansa na yɛagye wo hɔ ne ahwɛ onyɛ saa na sɛ wa wo de wo pɛ ana wo de wo nipa bi ɛba hɔ nom sɛ ɔyare nti yɛhwɛ na onnya saa kwanya no pamucho yeda asese de obenya saa opɛ no obeyi ano ede ama o de fa Facebook nso a yebeyi ano ede ama. Hello Samantha.
Hello
Samantha, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho eti saying
Pacho nyamia domo.
Yeda nyamia se Samantha sesia de uni Ghana meboa
me pacho
ana so o papa asem no esi wo Ghana.
Esi wo Ghana.
Pacho eye dien bone tofa ma eye dien.
This year ne say. Anajo no friend say no fan no. And I'm in a bra Welbeck. I'm on in ye jume. Ye di shi e koko fan no the call hospital e wo Accra Holland side. Enti ye ju ono ye book sa ye wonne bibia around compound no bibia ye din but hospital so dey cardiac sana mu ye juma or say life ni ne masisi so a over more reception ho na city ho all trained obeba obeje no but ye ju ho no why ye din ti you go say reception don no and on ye bomu sa be 30 minutes then ani pass dem ho wada answer over the story ebie pono enuka we ebie pono or train tokrono or train or share ni pako ojina ho onu mom the first interaction is na ni gbefu sadet na ebe bo don no sa ns e do bia ba oyare ntie patron be hwe na before my bed folder na can take another 20 minutes answer ninya na me papa ti ho obre answer abante ipi obeye folder kaka na sabaye obehwe no e de no koto and okay before next never veggie folder na common and treatment it was another time you will see another time as all the drip back ever be seen so until the following day just on my manage until the following day almost see a very laugh so it take the whole day fitiana from area 12 answer do your lab never be chin sample e lab after doctor by every shell be area 4 see or say or referral and on my referral letter to Kolebu. If you do Kolebu emergency home next referral letter or can you say yare for no and then say or the can and or question no can or see oh so we just Shenya na ka ye referral emba ha say or shall say in paniho just like that or say in paniho if you find call. And because you want referral letter, you didn't call 37 because the referral letter don't end directly to 37, but you didn't call. If you do honor, now you call on emergency unit, now you share military nurses moving a medical referral letter. Or kind of support, and I'm still here. At that time, I'm papa to form. As time goes on, every time I'm checking the pulse because from the hospital near refer, now the BP a call very low, and the pulse no so I come very low until one may check your pulse because that's the only thing I make me I will say if or you okay and answer when you okay. Until you do 37 anymore, yeah, they refer letter lecture nurse. Or sure I will say, any word ha connect word. Senior nam papa to form ho, emergency name ho. Or say bonus so nam simply standing in John, me call up and down. Me call her or say any half, and no come and catch a nurse and say, I've been there and there. And see, me call just let me know. Say you have my member and I say any half. Because he keep pushing me, me call her saying, he say, me papa that no bread, and family coin. Or see madam and ya na family call. It's me John and Mrs. No me kai say, minimum be age more police hospital a wolf. And I'm a friend. And to my friend, I'm cutting Mr. I hope say only theater or age because all theater no age man. On to me funny calls. It's God being so good now. Of my friend or fine or see only duty but of a mommy will be number. Now me drew her. Me go theater whole street and so then me call ward. I call home doctor. Which means that Ghana they say, oh yeah, it's whom you know. Whom you will be out. Ubewu immediately. Say yes, na me call you drew her na me go home guy. And not in your call. And no crown doctor no ba share me papa no. That time now bo be 6 or 7. If it can afford the whole thing no. When your treatment be a drip be there's nothing on him. If he could do it be 7:30 onward meeting. Doctor no to be by now. I'm sure say house officers here have been almost here. Because that's when papa didn't call ward no. I say now doctors very say almost here again. So I'm going to practice. Nipa ne da ha. Oh. It's kaka na mako inside na mako so ni pause. No say madam please go out. I say nipa ne da ho oyare. I say de nya bo chebehwe na. Ansa na mo ba tro x-ray. Ye kwakọ tro x-ray no ho no my ba no take another minute. Ye ba ye ni papa beda o mo man drips to no mo tro ndro bebre. Na could you believe say sana doctor na no one point no consider by you made out around 8:39. Also by no be share. And she wrote the same treatment as first doctor na to atrocious yankoto syndrome. Intermediate prescription is fee. My brother keton am so ma mention prescription because yankoto ndro here. Me share na say ndro we ya bi na first doctor na beton papa no kwa mo choma no. Drip back open na mo dey sinu. They also moved the funding to the more fan family. And then I was control the same thing. And I'm going to doctor say, this is the same treatment our colleague actually. What's what I'm very repeating. Of course, no, we are not buying because it's the same thing. And I bear a casa and I'm there and pet me brother Sony. Monto. Into my trendy. And that's why papa me will say, or tete. Or the make us no way. Now my friend said the pulse me very low. If me check in the pulse and not the beep as honestly now I drop a car. Into me I was well, but me who my papa said to me said definitely. Then I'm here and my father can't make it. And the greatness is necessary and I made any before and I made Janama, made Chiban. It's me drew fear now for almost 12, exactly 12. Me rough fear Radamara Hannah. Mrs. Tapini friend said, this is what happened, but my father couldn't make it.
Eti o papa free mo. Nkomo no ko wie se e ba sa no papa free mo. Said there wonya owabobo ayasabia ni bi atreye no wabo Kolebu wabo 37 wabo police hospital. Na a hospital ben edi kan ya mudi kan koya na edundum kan ya 20 minutes ni MBA mo no.
Hospital no. In fact, we really didn't, but one of this
private hospitals, Nibia.
A government hospital.
Ah, okay. I want Potem Benya. I want Potem Benya.
I want crime, Accra, Potem Honum side.
Accra Central.
Okay. Central Honum.
Okay, enti Lavender Hill, Hobe, in a Hona Yansabiano. But whatever it is, no. Church monu nyina akọwie say empani ho drone ho we ya say nto papa free mu enya sa na sem nete
me pachai
kafra na sheding na wankasa wonya sa experience na wona ye ache no me da semini aba na so kafra na sheding why nti anu achi kura no oman ni mutena anya wakono se obeye nurse no na wabu aketem Okay, enti Samantha, yada se so de enchemo amaye. But Samantha de ye baako. Me gidi se onso wo mienu, nanso ebrepem no ye bema onso ne ya che. Onso wo bia fa share me on Facebook na ye ne sa enkomo. Enti Samantha de no, ono wantete ye wo nurse dwumadie mu nti, no o check pulse. Edro no so ye ka se onkoto no, o wantete ye nti ohun ye se ontobio, na se eye mia. Anase eye wo a unim nursing ne eyi hospital ehu adwuma bia akade na ba okra de papa no emre kakra beto so ene nka bia nka ye me ene wo a ene ba ko bi na go wu ntem kra mebo a ene omodeda fom ho no ene omodeda ho no se ye wo anya sabia hodo wo memu to the stand say obi a okwa akwo kra no yetimi gina wo fam na one ne ba na afi na wabedu wiase no wabedu asase na omoda fom eno so wo ho ni nyina bi wo ho because ye ni bed well Ghana ya dia said e be no bia ya dia inti Samantha me da sia no pay but me no wo enkomo foforo bi so a eno so me no ba be di but ye njanto ho sa eye no bed asem no ye be ba so bio but mame eno ni sa enkomo foforo we na Adom TV ene akwaba afashefo ena aka bomu a ye de dwumedie sonko ebro onya ate akwaba pe eye Ghana kasa ejina homa dwumedie se obi eji obi enti eye akwaba dwumedie a Adom TV ene sa akwaba foi ena eba bede menu abema pacho akwaba
yenia
me de akwaba hia wo so de akwaba nam ene osoma makwaba
me wo akwaba
me da say na akwaba no de ade a
yo so akwaba no de dwumedie a CJ Productions Limited Ediaba.
CJ.
Yes. CJ one of the main people are almost into production, into production equipment, hiring and rental of production equipment. One of the biggest in the country.
Say rented
rigs, LED, cameras, lighting. Exactly.
Because of car production, I say moye pharmacy for moye production yenro. And now moye production and moye hospital bed nankeja and why you never more baby a man need to dear coso into and near my ya can't dear man need to dear but to Bibisa and can near be near the no and no word one oh okay
but no Akwaba first to name the iconic Akwaba photograph portrait now CJ production now or wetry
okay
so there's this picture circulating around every Akwaba portrait I'll be hubiano or baby jina ho kuta yeah enti this festival no hinged around that
okay
enti no sene be ya ye betime promulgate the hospitality the culture values and the beauty of Ghana following the tourism Ministry of Tourism Arts and Culture or more agenda of seeing Ghana, wearing Ghana, eating Ghana and all that CJ Production about with the Akwaba Festival to promulgate that.
Jo. And I'm on Adom TV. I come to my well, my any years so many Adom TV because I don't 70 and shoot my butter. Aha, to say yeah, Adom TV. Any Akwaba for Cassie any edit say about not to say it's in a home Ghana. Be for Ghana. Yeda masepa. But that potting no amode ye dwumedie bi there.
Bosumi ya 2 weeks ahead of us.
Okay.
That is 17th to the 19th of August.
Say Nansa dwumedie across the wall.
National Theatre.
Oh, okay.
It Yene National Theatre, Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture, the Ghana Tourism Authority, and
Akabo. You better ticket.
One of the events na dear.
You better.
Bankaye ne dear. Bankaye ne dear free.
Bate.
Yeah.
That's it.
From Wednesday, which is 17th, they call 19th, some of Jumedi be an exhibition and sales of Ghanaian arts and artifacts. Nti ebi hot on textiles. Obi on more. You best answer a food bazaar into chop baby. And now say restaurant beer. You want to let people know.
Okay. It's in the National Theatre.
National Theatre. And it's an exhibition because of forecourt
Yate. Eti ode adaje no ebekwa kodin sekuo de ode ko ho a ka bia de wunhu bi da krefa Ghana no ka be hu no asia bibia fi pacho me da se why ya me sure busia me ne nkomo no ye de si ahanum senti e fi sabre yi kono na ochimi no ntem no na odi ahye otrim sa na wakoho bi afei happy birthday enkoma nana edubwa he we wo apa amafi rural bank wasa ankwa so we fi honorable Esiedu enchen na edema happy birthday to you nana na afei so birthday we so enkoma Nicholas chief of staff da Sibre Kwebu Ewusi a wo dominase we efidan editor wo multimedia jumekum ha obi bia so na ye wa woda no happy birthday to you abusia me de si na mum no bed asem no de ye fancy ye beka bio o man he no kwabna sante ene na beja fort san se de pensim mo abro me din de ma metra diamond good morning
abusia me din the Reverend Kwame na Aida me gidi say ye jumedeni na we ni jino ye videos ye talk shows ni jumedeni na de hia me pa ne se na be ya wasa beka ye jumedeni no 24/7 wo bell no wo de point so sa bell no point so biu na sa point so biu o point so 24/7 jumedeni na e shasia kikro na won saka and follow us and share the page for commenting na so to no nyame shira.
Well, that's how I am. I say, you better diamond. Chira assist on so this and come away. Eddie Abre. Brass steady person bro on Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So my main car was a Marin Fibribia that remind yourself so you're Ghana. So the core values, so they be that can be patriotic, love your country, be truthful, and be very, very honest to yourself and to Mother Ghana. So patriotism, love for your country, truthfulness and honesty. Now if you the transparency, I'm a baby akokama any amount. So help me God. Oh yeah, I have so don't forget that I have a pledge until me now the dinner show me Alex Badwam for me Yakubu Chipsa me Alice Kopi me Educhu Mwamo Sapapebi. For dinner show me Agama see you between United Papebi. Any one akanya ye shebo said the idea ni munyam ne kan ko be brafo no eno achi ana ebedi enti erade boy enti afufo ina no be a proud Hafonian na yenko so that new month for so as at this point you need choice than to say a big thank you Emma Newmont say yakwan ho komo no ma sha se tu a ye ka say Kofi Job construction odi djuma gidi Kenya say and the diversion to also Alex Badwam construction. I'm almost made Juma. I'm a baby akokama. Newmont will ask for more, but for now, there must be or coins from Kwamode Boa or Yakwanso and the Kaka Huina. Birthday dedications, but before that, one young man or was from Ghana in a capacity that really a boy Ghana ye ewo ya sure kese ba ko we ase ha America asem na making ye embassy e wo honom no Ghana ni this year no so ekoka ni mpanyifo wo esumo mo dey a lot of innovations nya akwanya eton Ghana okwanso nkoso kwa titu for adisua ho ene edwadie ho ono ni panyin pa ombom homodin pi eno achi owie ne som no ana osase Ghana mpanyifo so peso de nimdie a wanya eba ebeboaye ewo eye Ghana hanum si nti obeja ama no ne US of A ho aba ono ane krum bra manfo dwane call no de o se opeha because as I said waje nimdie onye sua hunu bi o de beboa ne ma no we continue to be proud of him. Experience him in person, we won't say or in a quaffo and Obreno was an old Ghana or was a pepano say the echo so be a papa, a bit macoso or my Ghana. To also know the corner cacrano one or Brightons a corner. Dodona Atisa Edin Kofi Tonto Eka National Communications Team Huma, the new patriotic party. Kofi Yeah, that's it. First time on the show, short notice. By OJ bread by Jidisi Bia Kama.
Short notice indeed.
Short notice.
Honestly, not me home for me. We have me casa cry.
Yeah.
Abafom, but akwanya ne ba na say ye ba ne oni Adom ahwefo nyina bedi nkomo.
Yeah. Thank you.
O mind them no ko way back.
Thank you.
It's good to be say ba na bedi nkomo.
Okay, Krora. If you're a bush of pen, you're there, what won't cry, and then the Mupo Mumbu, Miana, maybe Chiame one. Yes, but I remember one, Eddie Jumaya be Pimenana pay, or also when I can, Magana, man, the party. Now, head Dosum, Diabayabush, and Bribia that Twadrin, said the Baya Ghana, Nentoma Pana, ya pine the crab breast in the pediaco, a frano. In 8 men, I'm letting me Eddie Mo, then we pay you. I don't pay a me manager Emma who was a bush of payers are a kind of better than PC. Ekasama NDC Manuku. He needs no introduction. Ben, good morning. I hope to say.
Morning.
What way can see you planting for food and jobs? When we can't repair back out of our candle, come with us. Be strong.
Lady, if
Nabokode. Bugusuma we mo first a line of elections now.
Oh, yeah, Guso.
Bugusuma. Is there na moye?
Yeah. In the friend branch.
Okay, branch.
In MPP over friend polling stations.
And to move formal.
Cry.
Na mo ye kakra.
Ye mia upon corner na why I think.
So far, we be okay.
Who are you? Be a cost of
come. I see. Mo boa mo ze wo baba ji tumi afri abai we ze.
Sana Ghana fo so frɛ no.
Mo ho boa na wie pay you because say Ghana fo su na mo ho boa wie pay you no say another matter.
Oh yeah, ninti na wo hwɛ a ye fi ase tutu bibia sɛ na ye pɛ ye tinya hoɔden a ebetim de aba be rest up because ye nim sɛ ye nuanom MPP referee na de bia o hwɛ grade no so no. Whether to any or one side to do change say obeba NDC side nti ehia say ebe boaboa ehun ye pa political party bia no na grassroots ni hia change say ye be ma so wosoro because hona tumi ni nyina awo won wo ye osi ahemfo if you branch e be call constituencies ni akọ regions na fe aba national na fe akọpe fankratuni na I be to me, no. Baby Jenny, my name say, what the to from 2008, Bepim 2016. If I say 2009, Bepim 2016. I remember NDC be be a far Ghana fee, and the baby I did be. Now you know MPP for fan from 2016, from 2017. Bepim ne say na ngasi ama Ghana atitu apansama. Ama hene bibi anyway say. What they say political party a being since any send a man for be break no MPP for on I disappointed do NDC MPP nyina pe ye nye peda na ye nye penso da na ye ka say we be ya ba be di ho nkomo e bia ho kira Ghana fo wom prempren ya ohu be bia wuso na de bia na me bisa mo say o ma hene e bia na ban na ka be bia guma so na mo mpese e beti say o bibi o si Ghana fo yemfa nyani nto so what you say yemfa nyani nto bibi so ne yentwen na sa de ba e be ma yen ho atoyen brebia ni ho bibia ni daso bia ni bebia e de si yetimu a yetimi yenkonkon mpa ya ni pa bo ane se ade chia no pa se bi obenya kakra obedi na o de ama mo fre wo fi nso nya bi edi o ma me ya obi a
ni se bi ba o yeri nyina no and that's will be any say be
and me go see bisa we enti kama ko na mintie
na me say me busa say wo na wo siesie wo so
me de me hu ye wa hu aka na mintie ma di kan bisa say me bisa mo asa ban ni se yenhwe yemfa nyani to den so den ne ye hwe kwan
BBC na mu anamontuo na ana kwan e fa so AC no na nya ni so ana se bibia nsi enoma mienu aban betimi abon ho modern bi na bia na nye woni so
te said den
ye ba wo fa so
ye hu adeku
akwan hodo e koso akwan sisi ahodo e koso e bia na kwa person ka e kono enko yie ma ba bibi koso ana bibia
ma minchi a wofa
je di se baby obia na ka je say wo fra na ka se mi sunu hu na chi
mate
te ne nka che o ma mente ne nka no kore de bia me ka say o hwe one minister abribia no na ho keka wosoro even though obeka kan mana e de se na da me ka jira na but to me dia koniaba road minister ebit maka say anye ye kura no menim say akwan na say abrosu nti na da bia no ye boni puma but otenenka he's always in the media at least media space no akwan we wa ha okwa we wa ha okosra ha hwe we no fi ho a ne ayede bedi akoniaba ne yede bedi akoniaba enkoye omani sikasem na agency bi the kai pass somewhere 2014 2015 na cedi ne dollar na intermedi na cedi no ahonke ka enkosro no ye ti nipa bebre ano sorry na I think governor of Bank of Ghana no ye obeka dinkagra I think governor of Bank of Ghana
ko asem se bekai
yeah so no chance na
papa iba
debi
oka after do for the oba no ana the oba biem na we ana
meka ni obesen koy ansa na ba ko ba ansa additional be yo
okay bekai
ne breso no obi wo Bank of Ghana governor on fana jumanto because city na ho den no enforce what the to ne di ho edi tampa niama be reason no
na nim niama akesi niama we aba
o kan na me so mehu se bia na me nim na mate afi ho once wan kasa kra onye bi nka
no ma me chese unim niama akekesi
niama ben nkontompo ne nabraba se mo massage figures on ne boss finance minister candidate governor of the Bank of Ghana or candidate bring the biara figures nko ene yen dollars a ebeka se enya aboa no a forest reserve yen konko bi sa ahin na aka onu yan kasa report or the court parliament we problem the so there be nya sakra na internet ene yen ene dollar what the cities ahin na kwakto so for nice cities then ne wo yen fenga ni hwe kwan then ye di beto so say ede dollar foforo ba be kan ne ayi wo ihu a ebe ma at least ebe nya forex ebe ma asho apa ebe ma manfo dia wo pe dia
o kan see ya no ama wona ehwe no omo ebi ni mo ho be dwuri omo kakra because omo beka say na wahwe oman na nkasa anamontu aye tu titu efa edwadie nyoma ya
asemi oban hene watwa wo hu atwa na bisa o question
locally yenso ha ya empower industry say ibeti bagina brane ama ezi kase ti bagina wahwe ene asofu bi no kura so kwan on fa so ka free amanone edoman mu de ko no me say a lot of factors you cannot just say unfa covid ne be mu na unfa Ukraine Russia kra me mu enioma bi ensunsu so a
tie the dollars no ko Ukraine
nyene sana make
ye de dia ko Russia ana den
we adwede hu nkomo ne ka hu
adwede hu nkomo no catch the good afun ye ba be ka hu asem ye be boso aban na jebusia mane odeko busia dollars a so onya bua no kotua ne ka hu fentom if 2022 budget you hear about 45 billion Ghana cedis on facilities in kotua ne ka external debt yan facilities kotua on nankasa per dollars ni bi forex ni bi no dia kwa kotua ne ka inti that bi aban nankasa kran na beban on akra nson na ba be so ne beba mountain ama amanfo nya bi ato akwa kra won ne ama kofa akoyi ne ama ba that's the situation mismanagement of the economy
anopay ase ayi be queen kom ayi nin komodie no Bernard enyen kranche sawo se ono di o feni fan dollar na ko jina na engineer afi na be chire mu se Russia Ukraine covid ye import no there was rodo na yankasa enyuma hodo ebie kora wo man ma ebetima me sika jina nipa bi no atwe eye sika free akọ oman outside of my Ghana e hu sunsanso ye oil ebo ne ye oil ayetu no nyina on do se ohun se dogo bi no abe or the measurement but the measure omo na cedi to dollar cedi there na be ka che no tin crash bi eno
oman edikan me dawase bebre me nchia me nua panyin so on the ametane ni shia wo radio
good
anti obi a mene na ye adwuma che enim PC me tia o
meje osukofi
this week president kwa pro mejidi se wa hu se wa ko
yes wa ko tifi mantem
upper east ne ade me no ka say akotwa yimu a 37 euros water project be provided 4 million gallons of water to you know that area etwa no so we share northeast so a enkrata yimu ka say mra president BB regions foforo ano se ne be ya betre yempuntu nwuma mu no aban ye anhoba se obe create regional offices se ne be ya be boa administration ohwa northeast so nyame adom ye be omo regional office amomo a samre omo dwumadie ekoso akwan so de me no ka se ofa tamamoto we a wo se flower pot interchange no ekoso flyover omo ye flower pot ekoso oni me be ya adwen so se Kumase ufri mpokuase konsa hom nyame adom eno nso start September ye be wramu eye tematu Accra so start Nungwa interchange oni me be ya adwen se ekonanim obi chebi nso ekoso Swami nso nyame adom parliament pass ya Swami interchange nso be koso last week na vice president ko kate 100 kilometers inner route ye be within Kumasi, especially around the Swami enclave so enti acquiring projects there bebre because president call upper eastern so wakotra there's a construction in fact I know crowd there more program so we could see saying more correspondent G2 say aye kwan na wiaka bridges kakra bi aye aka ho enti eniema kakra koso ahochira oman no you find yourselves in nyina no nyame adom eniema ese ye se ne be ya Ghana for benya ahoton yeye ohwe omampanyi katafanya kowaka katafa edikan a oka will project and protect all poor policies aban aya na adwen se eniema ye be ye se ne be ya poor policies say free SHS ne other policies a ye de so sebe oni bie for asene no aban aya na adwen se obeto akoso na why those programs enti minua ni MPC de ono no onhu papada ne dia ne say obe project bone that's fine politics yet ya say but no kra ne say ye gitum say ahochiraba but eniema nso koso aban nso de nhihye ebegu akwan mu a betimi aboa ma yensi kasem no etimi apagya oman obekaya time a yensi kasem inflation started say eba na CD no started say AC ni trase no ye kansem bebre aban panyimfo ne yen aye kasama aban ye de nkyeremu bebre ba ye ma yenuanom ka kire se ntro obeka okokan Ukraine ne Russia ntokwa na o maso mene ne ebetew okokan COVID ne aso mene ne ebetew enso wohwe IMF nsem ode abetudwa wohwe World Bank nsem ode abetudwa ne wohwe even Standard & Poor's for report omode abetudwa o ma downgrade Ghana ni nyina mu no de omo nyina ka ne se oman no ahokyira yehu ewo mu no ni nyina ye because of the impact of the COVID and then the Ukraine war. So oman o kan omo reporter Standard for the abana me person ka me kan be bi kakra bi ma the first paragraph or say the COVID-19 pandemic and Russia-Ukraine conflict have exacerbated Ghana's fiscal and external imbalances. It's the first comment. We are seeing fine or more sikasem hu nimdie nyina kuta omo agye atum se baby a Ghana yehu enei dodo na ejina enam ohawa abesinsen wiase nyina kom a free COVID ena afin so eba Russia Ukraine war so talk us we kan sem bebre me kai se me ne anim PC ana me nua ba akokọ Adom me to me bo chechire nsem ni mu bebre no oni me edi achinye se me bo anso kan Standard & Fitch Standard & Poor's na o ka ho asem o say o ma say economy a run no is an open source economy as kire ne say de ye wo ha no ensunsuanso a yenye free de ekoso wo wiase finance kasem so no great. About 80% of our economy relies on the external shocks. Enti ko bi beka say be a USA ko ahochire mu a anka e de fine ho ben, but o kan Standard & Poor's o kan wasem inflation aba ewiase nyina ene US as of January 2021 na US inflation was about 1.25%, and now me know ka say US inflation is 9%. 9%. Edian na deba oman say inflation ana say niema bo e kosora in economic policies in the oye ne say ube slow economy ni down. Ahoden anka economy no edi nyini no ube tesa ahoden ne so. Ekwan be na ye fa so teso. O teso by increasing the policy rate, which is say ukodidwa ukobo besiane ade interest rate that's no pejam. US are buying a few nkwa peja interest rate policy rate mu in premium no. The attorney says se me Kofi Tonto se me sika wo Ghana ha. Na se US are buying a peja ni interest rate mu a. The me say me fa me sika yeden efri ha na me de akoto amano ne efri say ye nyina ye gitum say US economy, German economy, UK economy e wa ahoden sin emerging economies. Anya me na make am. Because ye mu be di kan na enuamu fi se boa Standard & Poor's for report omo de omo say the US economy oma increase the exchange omo policy rating you know enye nsunsuanso we nsi kasem so if we say oman yaka ye di nyina no emu 55% eye amananefo na abok oman no bosia 55% of our debt stock is belongs to a non-residents. Iti yen kofuku a ono no ofa ne sika no de akọ. Enyame na meka Standard & Poor. Etosu bi oka insunsuanso a eniema bo a ayedin ewo economy, the global economy ho asem. Ofe no the inflationary exports o kan report na ewom nyame na meka. De tie ne say yemfa ne say omaya etimiti say the medical about 80 to 90% of our consumables edan ya yewo mu sisi camera or material or phone bibia ye kra sa ne ma ye kra ni nyina bo aye din wa dwaman so enti report ni say sa ne ma na ne bo aye din no enye nsunsuanso kese wo Ghana yensi kasem so. So apart from the fact that the consumables have increased in price no, the freight which is ekwan aye faso de ne ma no so ba Ghana no o ma unim say wo de eminim say unim port ho sensem freight container 20-footer container freight before COVID na $600 or rent a freight container and the same 20-footer container is $6,000 and $1,000 so from $600 to $6,000.
I'm sure say we Bernard we are aware of all these things.
Oh my no there so no there. You see me kan nyina ba bi say send ye tie bia ye na Ghana for the 2 million ahyensa. So what you say? Enti obeka Ukraine obeka den the bottom line is say yen na asudie ne da yeso en ye djutum asaban say asudie da yen so but the person ye nuanom ne Ghana fo nyina nya emunti ase ne say emra Ghana for the oman ne hye yen san wo hwe the economic indicators hwe GDP growth 7% average hwe service economy it was growing, industry it was growing, wo hwe agriculture it was growing, inflation yetimi inflation so amani be drew about 9%. Ubeka say ye nuanom ka kire say ye di inflation okay. They told us ye di inflation. All of a sudden inflation peja no mu no and then ye di inflation.
Of course,
that's what kind. You said it. You said it see inflation.
And you're healthy for Ghana for.
And this is not the cancer.
Why can
it's not true.
Oh, now
political parties if inflation ni akwan yedi ene say no mo free ho
ade ayen ka ye no NDC under President Mills yet my inflation bar single digit for over 36 months no one and work as answer no
okay inflation will
oh man the American say
Mucha konto pona kichire ma.
So we ma me kan kire. Mumu free abeg.
Mucha konto pona kichire ma. Ko bi da ko say.
Mani we na wakasa. Wo be na ye busa sa mo ti sen fra na dia ye politics.
Mani we na say.
Because mama is say be say.
Isam na nkomo na na edi mani we na say.
Me sure say so.
So any PSA pa me kan no. Time I move free aban so na inflation was 15.4%.
Correct.
So we ni mu am ka kire. So Ghana for the economy ni share yensa no. From 2017 to pre-COVID, every indicator actually say
it was good.
Oman no na enam ekwantene ne so. But Oman panyi can say we will sacrifice the economy to protect lives. Yes, and ne or how na ba ye gitum. See ene de ba yo say ene de ba yo ye gitum. Enu nti na Oman panyi say yenye hyehyeye. Enye ye na say as a political party ye ka say enko IMF. But Oman panyi say enfa humpo say na soafo akase yenko IMF. The so ye no de gi Oman ni si ho no obeye irrespective of the nipa beka because ti said the ogi nipa nkwan obua ma ye gi Ghana for nkwan sa na ye beji economy ni so enti say ye be swallow your pride in power we will swallow our pride to protect the economy. There were other measures I take Oman ene wo hwe guta for report omo de ba ya omo kan ho asem just say tax exemption bill la ye di aba a parliament a pass ya ye twen say Oman panyi be assent no the attorney say every year Ghana lose $2.7 billion. Not cedis, $1 billion through tax exemptions. Are the companies are yeah adwene say omo ba be enyuma. But what they do and they say one, their true value no they overstate it. That's number one. Two, obaso obeye mpaboa. Wa be be factory ni ade ni nyina yakobia no. Ote factory ho a wo fi so ye adwuma no na okra mpaboa no na de ba. Enti wonya mpaboa no so onya benefits of the tax exemption, but at the same time no na obo omanika. Enti aban say there be ye the tax exemption bill aba ye ba be enforce sa nemen nyame ya adom every at least for this fiscal year 2022 ebe save you 500 million Ghana cedis. Aban so share discretionary expenses say ye was statutory expenses the emrasha yen kete se yenye and na the aban so free so ye beboa aban se the free say ye obeboa no watwa so 30% wo hamu abupan aduasan se na ebe ya ne ho be free no kakra wo hwe other financial expenditures a oman no ye se na ebe ya ye betimi de aho ye be ma Ghana fo ho ahenha om. These are the things we are doing. But me ntimi metena hanka se obi a mekasa ma aban enhwe Ghana fo animu nka nkyere Ghana fo se ahokyere mai ahokyere ba. But the can say sanye omampanyi na nado danko akufo ado beso oman ni mu a na obi covid ma ya ode ekọ IMF no na obeyi ye free mu sa ahokyere mu no nyame ye yadom na oboan ne anyankwane ahoden a hwiebe yenu afin kwa wie na yen start afofoforo de na ahoto ne anema kakra aba petroleum wonsensem ade bi omokan oman se wa oni petrol buo ba dia petrol buo edu oya na omoko kan na monsu munya sika free petrol ho ne ade oman afibia petrol e krabra oman mu e 4 billion liters of petrol dia ye tu oman mu no dia ye dia friend no carried and participating interest is just 17%, 17 to 20%. It constitutes 1 billion of that 4 billion. And I see a craft petrol 3.2 billion and a ball minimum. And yes, utu petrol there, but you are a net importer. Do na ko fe free amon ne yeden. Edeba send e ba o man the cost bit me cost. But at the end of the day, me no tie generator bi anye dede. What is say adwuma eni ye ntua ne ka. COVID mire mu nyina na etwa Ghana fo ye nnua no omo tena fie ebi mu afi mienu ye twa omo ka. So aban gitum sa ahokyere ba sene ahokyere ba eyesa aban ye no sa pepepe ne ye sene be ya Ghana fo benya ahoto ti Ghana fo nya rehye mu ye mu se de ese ye no ye be ye ama ahoto aba
command right ko me da CP any minim so the back bi so na fia ko next issue
no man ne a Kofi kan ye nyina ye ya tia
na one tebe no
I want to na bang ye
na do kan want
oh man hene nya botre o ma ne kasa ya ma me so men kama se
Odaro ma se o kasa peneze one komo yen ko break bia na se one as one tie di o kan no na bia what tie na on ne nya adwene ana what tie na nya no kure
ha complaining na Ukraine Russia osa aban ni se o ye den aban re ye den o kan bibi kire o se aban ni se o de baako na abien asie ni nti ebedu nansa na nan achi no se na bebani o ti so kan bibi sa
Makam bisa.
What's it then?
Makan about tax exemption policies, makan about cutting expenditure, makan about improving our revenues.
But how do we build on mine?
Obe na build on mine.
Na so mine na hu say baby o ma.
Man for ma abang say obe den. No ke ken obe improve upon tax what?
Me na me san kan chiro. Ala won ye politician.
Asi o ma me kan sem chiro. Ma me kan sem chiro. Abang da bi odi Ghana ba be wie no. Hwi ni ho a obetimi aye.
It odi Ghana ba be wie. Abai odi Ghana ba wie.
Abang a obefa Ghana na ye nka ye de. Eye 120.6 billion. And then one makana kwa kudu about 390 billion. So we need baby I won prepare ya. And the revenue and here anticipates benya first quarter this year. Projection was about 14 billion plus. You remove 13 billion because go to Ayanka plus. You nya 12 billion shortfall. They see a copy bosia sanka near you benya no answer time dey go to Ayanka. That is the state of our economy today. Baby our first CD and a dollar fee na about 4.2 billion. Sorry, 4.2 cedis to $1. And then at around 9 cedis to $1. E yinu mo ne ka ho nkomodi. Nti abang o media ya to ha na ye namba be ye. Hwi ne wa abang betimi ayi prempren. Hwi ne oba be ye. Sa economic growth a wodi to hwi. Wotu we wonim ne de bai. Wodi atu ho a mpato hwe. Kratai date wo so. We February 22, 22nd, 2019. Na Ghana CDF yase follow. Was always a COVID by Breben. COVID by Ghana, time I recorded in first case was in March 2020. Ain't you mismanage economy way back? What fee IMF happen was say dia. And no na young common and na no quarry. Ain't you so man you perceive to among her. A honey if you say, what's on Yanseni Biano? So we're 3 now here say, what's already out the kind and say, a hanami TI, then the cause war. And young contempo me here as be I.
No na kasa. Obi an kan sa.
Tina me hwe de say. Obi ani ha watena ha kasa.
Papa.
Nyoma e wo man nim no. Eye obi a de se de ekoi. O se o tena mpo kasa. Sa ban kasa mafo a. Wa ni chronic Ghana fo ani.
And then the one kind of kwai. Na problem. Oh, mami tie.
Who an PSA? O man. Parliament. O kasa na me ho. Honorable.
Stop money
Wadaroma.
Stop revenue mobilization.
So be catch so am power comedy o am permit cancel comedy me. Now when nyam tom say e bia na ni how na about comedy no. No the go show be so be na mre na dia wo branya no kware a. How do you provide solution out of this?
The scenarios that we're painting, for instance, that is the reality on the ground.
And the world market price, fango no can I.
Oh, fango, I will pay carefree. Do say na obu anu a odi ko dwam aso akoto. Do say na wusu a. Do say na mama yashe sankomodi yase.
Dabi
and na wokotogo.
Ya toto na jeje musa.
Oh, jai sansem ne keka. You are comparing French colonies whose economy
what's here compare Ghana to America?
No.
No, hold on. Mami what here compare Ghana to America?
Mami example. See,
hold on. Mami kama say what the hell? And now compare Ghana to America. Far away America.
No.
Don't compare different comparisons.
Unless say one person
of course,
if Ghana to Togo and Ghana to America, if I know
I won't take comparison.
No, take
comparison. I didn't compare America. I didn't compare America.
Catch them say, oh, when you entia, when you entia, ahochere betra Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana. People say mad because of economic guru, and they have fed the same thing. That's their yardstick. One yardstick. So crew one. The same thing. I found about betra. Then you what's America? One inflation 9%. What then I'm 30-something%. You are comparing the two.
30 and more 30.
And yet, you say, Jack, or man, now you're 15.9, 15.3. And I know that could Mamma can be free
1.5 to 9%. No, be free 10% to a year. What's the rate of change?
Can you imagine?
What's the rate of being changed?
I've never said that. At 15.3.
I've never said that.
Hold on. Very critical point. Say a call COVID, maybe Aban ya kukudroni pepa said Tiagana for
the next time I'm about to is about COVID being me before. One America said,
I don't think I'm
because what finance minister about parliament be book COVID him contai. Also COVID related issues, expenditure. Yeah. Near my day, you know, you had to know, you had ma allowance, you had the nina. It's about 12 point something billion. Maybe. Meanwhile, on Rankasa Club say about 19 billion. Sika bi ehye nchenkwa yante. Wanya sika na dia twan wonya sika fi COVID mu. Enya wankasa
wanya sika fi wonza mo ntin nema bebre mu ti ase. Wa mo ntin nema bebre ase.
Wo si enya mfaso of COVID mu.
Wonya sika e dey be ko balance o budget.
Budgetary allocation.
According to the finance minister, as if say na make won't tell that. Finance minister ba parliament no also sika hin what they call COVID related expenses. About 12 billion.
Correct.
And also, total zika from.
My mate, me
day. Cause share budget. Man, know what your home.
My mate,
I said I'm not only Ghana. Now when you sika, at them the actual home bra. I con COVID. And I am fast so they are support whole budget.
The trotto.
Now can them say COVID buy and they become Ghana. And they're bedding. I mean, what you Abba. Hey, I'm going to country Ghana for.
All right, you come. You buy a try and come this way. Come back here. Shemaminda, one Majibra motion. I mean, number some Majibra motion. Happy birthday, Eunice Foley, multimedia. Happy birthday, and come on. Sister Maggie, also or US of A, also Majibra, also should be a Darcy piece, also, Oshesa, a year, Nafi. Happy birthday to Ata Mary, Ghana Immigration Service. For Gosu. May the Almighty God richly bless you, Ata Mary, or Ghana Immigration Service. For Gosu. If we Joe Power, I have Kenya studies and come with the Ebro. Yaba back to studio. My man calls a coffee tone to one and says, Ansona, a year. Mianka Saminia, Bernard, and in PSA, so I want him say, I didn't come in the next 10 minutes, they wrap up. Na atwa jumedia odwa ye nyina so Adom TV so because we are Adom TV. Kofi now person
clear quickly na yen call Ghana card. Ama yenye very simple match. Yen fa ne say afemu nyina no. Osika oka obebo nyina 140 cedis. Na ebia sika wo hwe animu se won sa beka no. Eye bia be say 100 cedis. So ati ase. Na ebia wo ye won hyehyeye no. 2 cedis bi abeka ho nti wanya 102 eno kire se wanya sika ama ho akire ama ho atowa na still now the cash 38 cedis what you say enti say ye budget allocation for COVID na 19 million now we spend 12 million na eno kire se the budget deficit e wo ho no wanya mfaso no
which budget allocation
every year be your budget deficit or mine your friend of fiscal deficit the difference between revenue and expenditure enti se wunya sika bi na se sika no anyu su ni nyina no nkire se kakra na aka no ako wuka ni nyina na ye mfaso enti ano na me pese be mre ni ho enti no I have to simplify the argument for Ghanaians but mine yamra Ghana card and so me no tia ye kase according to NIA enipa a register 16.9 million. Enipa nyame adom ye issue omo card amomo 16.6 million people. Omo a yentimi mfa omo card ma omo 800,000. So we hwe Ghana statistics report omo de buyer. The etene say nipa omo di between the ages of 1 to 14 is about 30% of our 30 million population. Into bet 30%, which is about 11 million people. It would test out a free more na aka nipa be 19-20 million people thereabouts. It is a washe nipa omonsa aka omogana card ye 16.6 million. The year can be seen say omo ye of voting age no because me count 1 to 14. It you best 14 to bear 17 I think FU. And also bear another 1 million. So the voting population we share compared to last year and this year. Last year was about 17 million. This time we are looking about 19 million. Now share nipa my register is just about 16.9. Emu 16.6 and a more card. And we are looking about roughly 2 million Ghanaians are almost then enyanka Ghana card. That's a statement. That's number one. Number two, yen you say omon tiase sadenti near de Ghana card ebeye voter registration. Meaning say wo hwe omo ankasa legislative instrument or what they call to parliament in 2012 LI 2111 omo kan sisu poppy say eniema brofo kasem yesi mandatory use of the Ghana card includes voting. Omo na they call parliament. Omo 2012 under president Mills Mahama time any they call parliament or more and they call it. And here then and a moon kofukua muamode emra ko parliament ama ye de akoto ho ama parliament agya to abeye mra mo se ye no ne ye implement the act 705 which is NIA act 705 e de na muamo se be ka se samra na muamode koto parliament no mo emfa nya adwuma na de me ya ma hometi kakra ne se obeka ya 2018 yenra se edun kete ababonten be ka se e mo mu register for Ghana card obekai and anche afi pepe na yenra John Dramani Mahama His Excellency echo register for Ghana card on one group of people in one breath yen register in another breath ya register me no ka say ofo so ampofo e the statement about ne buofu wanya me na se post statement ni mu mpo no data was statement was say omo amanya omo Ghana card ye 13 million enye no kre ma prove atre wa ha NIA statement omo de aba abonten ono ni buofu ba President Mahama yenra asiedun ketia yenra Mahama yarega omo nyina se the Ghana card no be voter registration omo ni problem omo de ne se yenhwe se Ghana ni bia ansa be den e be ka ne Ghana card contradiction one political party we can see omai minim se mre ni ho nti midma no besi lastly adentina unim se under ya maame Charlotte say you spend 473 million Ghana cedis and a voter registration kwa under Charlotte say you spend 387 million Ghana cedis eba form but that's still 387 million Ghana cedis at the time we exchange rate differentials now about $80 million omai adentin yentimi fa $80 million ne ma NIA na omo expande na nipa be 2 million 3 million aka ni fie mienu ne fa aka no yemfa mo omo nya registration se ne be ya ye benya mfasode mienu 1 yetimi de Ghana card no ye registration to aba na de tosu mienu no yetimi asa expand ye Ghana card system ana na sa de so montias why do you have to politicize this
na otimi say abanga otifi ohun be bia ode na besi aban we waka ne mabobom na ye pepepa mu Ghana edi kan ne say ye Ghana constitution e kire say Ghana ni bia ana adwen mu da ho onya bonfe dumotwe o kwan say oto aba ana regulation e kire say ansa obeto aba no e say odinko abato krata so what you say yes so ye registered voter enti when you are 18 years now person odin ko hye yen abato krata ma ansa wetimi anya kwan ato aba ebia we in 2024 na you say obia ene obi was 17 years next year obenya 18 years as I say ni din beka yen register another year na subsequent years no ebi benya 18 as in din beka ho bi obo ha bibi nti no ni Ghana ha nti the last registration yen wan fa ni din am ko hye mu bi ono so benya kwanya obenya kwan sorry e di ni din akwa ho bi eno na ela won aye primprin e kire say obi bia wonni Ghana card no sefe no anya 18 years o sense utu kwa na wonni Ghana nti udi anko abato krata no ma so source document obitim de akọ e be kire say we Ghana ni say just the Ghana card akọ ene e pese e kire say eno no nya de a e be encourage amanfo dodo mo unatimi do ndi akọ hye Ghana card because we here electoral commission whether chairperson and as we fans we here electoral commission near what preoccupation is say obema Ghana ni bia nya kwan you make it flexible obema mu ada ho I won't find impediment be I won't find akwansidi bia nkoto nipa na kwan mu enti wo ye so rigid say kofa Ghana card nkwa ansa ye de udin abeka battle card no ho a anhwe ni ya wo betietie binom fa ho di so etia constitution no etia one right a wo betimi de akwakoto aba it is flexible because one ni entia yesusu say e de problem beba no say NIA fu ameyate ase say enye nipa wo Ghana nyina no ngetima register on awie na di kan nen ebi kran so won register but problems kakra wo won identity no ho and I say one biometrics ho it just say what you NCC enu achi no obi ha na de kran so ayira eze o replace ma no it is say ye be Ghana NIA aba asoe no etimi aye adwuma e ho beba mfa so a ense say the pressure bi akwesi won so mprempren yi ense the pressure bi akwesi won because abri e fe na man for akopre akopɛ one card and san wetimi di ne din akoka abato krata no ho enti wo beboa no ana se wo de akwansiri na ba na akwan mu why simple enti nia ne din wo mo de dawo won am ya ati ase se friend den won kopale any new register na boa ne wo ho no normal continuous continuous registration no ba be ye enti afofofo woni ba be kan no ba be consider but Ghana card na eno na be krata eno pen obetimi e de akwanse ode udi akoka no eno na e problem we
okay and maybe that question maybe that question to kwame say ene de mama okwan appointment
at all
fache me IV plunge also or tantra go mo de bibia so we am ya de bechna bye bye